frick out, bro. I'm scaring him, bro. Real man's in the building.
Can I please live? Can I please live?
Alrighty, y'all. Now, if I told y'all I tried to record 2 videos in like the past 48 hours and they were both like fart bags, would y'all believe me? Probably. This game's called FNAFbag.exe. When your boy getting his FNAF bag. FNAF, but it's got clean UI, bro.
Welcome to Five Nights at Freddy's Blood and Gears.
It's like a jazz opening. It's like a 1990s infomercial.
Before you clock in, here's some things you may want to configure.
Okay.
First, are you planning on streaming or recording the game?
Uh-huh.
Second, are you prone to motion sickness?
No.
Next, do you want subtitles?
Uh-huh.
Finally, would you prefer cameras in black and white?
Frick no, bro. Give me color. 3FS, you are the GOAT? Yes. Ah. Hello, everybody. My name is 3FS. Welcome to Five Nights at Freddy's Blood and Gears Night Shift demo. That's been a hot little second since I... Wait, actually, I don't think it has, actually. Gosh darn it. FNAF counter's only at 2 weeks. Okay, that's fine. Now, this is a game I've been seeing around. My buddy Vonnie also recommended it to me. And let's waste no time. Press that new game button. Freddy Place. Will you come stay with us for one night and have a good time? We like you. 1-800-400. Sweet? What the frick is Dawkins Ghost Tours? Tours so spooky even you want to subscribe. What the frick is he talking about? You know what? Respect, bro. They don't like see, like in most games, this would stand for like 30 seconds. Then it's gone. Yep, night started. Look at that in the bottom right. Continue. Enter. Oh. Game developer knows what they're doing. Let's press that button. Fun day.
Monday?
Payday.
What?
Let's get this sucker on the road.
Okay, start the car.
FNAF, but it's IRL? Bro, what is these high quality graphics, bro? FNAF if it was released in 2026. Oh, wait. I'm even opening up the laptop. Look at this top lab, bro. Yes, 3FS on the line. 3FS on the line now. Yes. Yes, yes.
Hello?
Hey, kid. It's Jeremy. Just giving you a call to help you get settled in. You know, seeing it's your first night
It's
and all.
Jeremy.
How you doing?
I'm doing good, bro.
I don't know. Fine, I guess.
No, we're happier than that,
Tired.
bro. Be honest. Yeah, that's true. I am pretty tired.
I know the feeling. You'll get used to the night shift before long.
I'm already
Just
used to it, bro. I'm
try
sitting
not to
down,
fall asleep
chilling.
on the job.
I'm chilling, bro.
Anyway, enough chit chat. I don't want to take up too much of your time.
Oh, shoot.
Let's get this show on the road. Let's
Sorry.
see. Okay, so it says here you've worked security before. Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah,
oh,
back
so many
at
times.
the steel
I'm made
mill.
for this, bro.
Oh, good. So you know the drill.
Does he know?
Building, monitor cameras, blah, blah, blah. But, you know, that being said, there are some quirks with this job you'll have to get used to.
Let me guess, though. They move. Yeah.
Main thing
Let me
being,
guess.
well, the animatronics. You see,
And
they...
that's a skip call. That's a skip call. Okay. Bro, every single fan game, bro. Dude on the phone, they probably give a name like, they give him a name like Mikey or something, bro. And it'd be like,
Oh, you know, the normal, the usual, but there's one thing about this job nobody expects.
like FNAF was released in 2014. He's like, those robots at night, may want to look at them. Hey, I know. Hey, frickin' B, bro. It's always B, bro. What's he frickin' looking for? Trash on the tables? Yeah, go ahead, take a gander, bro. Nothing there. Okay, let me get myself familiar with the mechanics. Okay, flashlight the door. When your boy's stuck in the room with the... What even the frick is that? Is that a rock with arms?
What's up, man?
It's like a little hug, little play thingy. Alright, now, it probably wasn't a good idea to skip the phone call. I've been notorious of, like, skipping the phone call and then, like, getting mad because I don't understand the mechanic. But it's alright. I'm a gamer, but... Oh, shoot, he's already on a stinking move. When your boy moving. Yo, wait. Okay. He's looking at the camera! Alright, bro, you chill out, bro. Oh, he's far as a fart. He's looking at all the items he wants to win at the prize counter. Bonnie get tickets. What if Bonnie went in the bathroom and had to take a little whizzy? The lizard's calling. Answer it, bro. I'm assuming none of the other buddies. Alright, this is classic. Hashtag classic. Hashtag classic. The fat Freddy on the floor. Freddy, but it's a chair? Interesting, bro. He's getting movie like a movie. Oh! What's wrong with his eyes?
He's just looking at a wall, bro. Calm down.
Dudes be making animatronics look like this, like the kids are gonna love this one. Frick off, bruv. Bro, he definitely in that phone call was like, we have a special animatronic in the back named, like, Buddy. Dude, it kills me. FNAF games in 2026 just start like doing stuff, bro. They'll be like, yeah, we have an animatronic named Buddy, and he likes to move around between the hours of 4:30 and 5:20. Make sure don't let him eat the cookie or something, bro. It's like, it's freaking ridiculous, bro. Don't let him grab the pizza. Straight bullcrap fan game. All right, no, we calm down right now. You stop this energy right now. We calm down now. I was gonna bust into a rhyme. Calm down now. What Chica looking at, man? Looking at the arcade games? Go ahead and play. Shoot, bro, where's Bonnie? Is Brennis getting close? Oh my gosh. Brennis is the, didn't Bonnie do this pose in the first game? People born after 2014 right now? What? Ooh. Okay, well, hold on. I just got techie. It actually just activated. Dangerous mode. Eat the floor. Yo, he's definitely looking through that camera. He sees me. Wait a minute. Not even looking at the camera. He's got wall hacks on. Bonnie, why don't you go stock up this vending machine? Put some snacks in there for me when I finish this shift. Cold, bro. Somebody wipe me off. Yo. Alright, I think he was gonna be quick, bro. You chill out now. Is he gonna give a little... when he's gone? Oh! Alright. I like that metal door. That thing has some weight to it, bro. Some of these other FNAF games, the door closes out, I'll be like... give me some weight. Give me some class, bro. What's up, Rocky?
Hey bro, what's going on, man?
Alright. Alright, when does Bonnie hashtag frick off? Is it the classic, like, reset to the stage? Or, like, does Bonnie do, like, a D1 sprint all the way to E3? Because that's what I'm gonna need right now. Yo! No! What is wrong with this guy? Leave! I think that's what I need to do. That's footsteps, right? Stinky. How do I know if Bonnie's gone? Bro, that's crazy. I like barely heard that, bro. I was 100% dead if I wasn't on. If I wasn't in that mode. Release the door. Back in business. Power status 19%. It's better than 18%. Ah, shoot. 523. Okay, it's easy. Yeah. I just kicked back for the rest of the steak night. I'll tell you that right now. Wow! Wow! That's not Helpy, that's Belpy. That's Dancy. Post-shift phone call. He'd be like, head down to the basement and get funny.
Jeremy?
It's funny, Jeremy.
Yeah, it's me again.
Yeah.
Sorry for calling so late.
It's the end of my shift.
How was your night?
Stinking easy.
It was interesting.
Excuse you.
Those things give me the creeps.
Yeah, they're good at that. I hope they didn't give you too much trouble, though. Listen, I have a quick favor I need to ask of you.
What?
What's up?
Freddy's is pretty short-staffed at the moment, and I could really use an extra hand around the pizzeria this week.
Extra 50 bucks, I'll do it, bro.
Nothing crazy, just some
Extra 100, I'll do it, bro.
maintenance, cleaning, stuff like that, you know?
Yeah, he's gonna, like, go stick your head in the
but
toilets.
I'd appreciate the help. What do you say?
No.
Sure. Why not?
Oh, perfect. I really appreciate it, kid. Thank you.
Kid?
Got one thing for you tonight, I think.
You talk
Let's
to me
see.
like that again, let's see what happens.
Right. A couple customers have reported a malfunctioning arcade. Fazbear on the run.
I'm gonna play another
Apparently the
machine.
game bugs out at a certain score. Maybe you could test it for yourself.
Sounds easy enough.
Like, I start playing Bonnie's
What's
next to
the
me like,
catch?
that's a good score, bro.
Well, the bots should be winding down by now, but some of them may still be active in the main room.
They're still hungry.
Bonnie and Chica in particular like to visit the arcade, so just be aware of your surroundings. I'll leave it to you then. Just be careful, alright?
What?
And once you're done, you can head home and
Hold
hit
on.
the hay. Alright, I'll talk to you soon, kid. Have a
No,
good
no,
one.
he actually tried it for 2 times,
Good
bro.
night, Jeremy.
I'm gonna beat the crap out of this young man. Alright, you chill out. I was gonna say, he sounds like he's from Resident Evil 7 for those of you that watch that series. Alright, Helpy's hints. You are amazing. I'm calling his little butt Harvey. Harvey.
What's up, man?
Here's his voice I'm gonna do from.
Reach a high score of 2,000 at Freddy Fazbear on the run. Use W to jump over obstacles, S to duck under flying chicas, and space to escape.
Thanks, Harvey. Do you wanna go get a soda later?
No.
All right, let's get this thing. Wait, let me read it again because I just like forgot everything I just said. Bro, don't ask me to read a book ever, bro. Like, I'm like for real stupid, you guys. Like, bro, in school we had to do like book reports. I'll be talking about some stuff that like didn't even happen in the book, bro. All right, I got it. WNS. Oh, sharp.
Be aware of your surroundings. Though Bonnie and Chico are active tonight, listen for their footsteps and use left mouse click to repeatedly flash them with your flashlight as soon as they get close.
Okay, Harvey. Young man has his. Okay. Oh, shoot, in it already? Here goes. Mans is definitely from Minnesota. All right, let's go. Space. Oh, I'm Bring it on. Frickin' easy, bro. Jump over that kid. Jump over that present. Resume. Jump over that wet floor sign. Let's resume. I'm in that FNAF mode. How could Chica oh, Chica's a chick and she has wings. I hear him walking around. Little man's feet is moving. Chica's getting tweaky. Do I just gotta hold it? He said flash repeatedly. Wait a minute. Chunker might have to get close. I see. Chunker might have to be in eating distance. Okay. Okay. Understood. Focus. Chica, this cupcake, you want it? Genius. Let's go. What was the score he said it glitched out at? Oh my gosh. Hold on. Chunker, 2 rounds in under 40 seconds? Hungry young woman. Oh my gosh, I'm playing with Chunker. Yo! Oh my gosh, bro, let's land on the cupcake. Game lost. Fart, bro. What score did I have to get to? My gosh, and I have Buns straight to my right. Chunker and Buns. New names, everybody, new names. New mandem on the block. Let's go. Oh, I thought he was gonna say a cuss word. Listen. Chica, freck out. Buns still available. Ew, recheck that sentence. Duck, jump. Top lad, bro. Big patience up on that Buns. Big patience up on Buns. Chunker coming back on the left. My comms are elite. I'm gonna get that Thowie. Chica, watch this. Imagine Chico's watching over my shoulder. Like, he's doing pretty good. Butthole. Top lad, bro. Big comp. 3FSO comp. Try again, little wiener. Oh, what's up, Buns? Wait, did Buns move? No, Buns just arrived. Ooh. Do I got to get to 2K? That's a lot of score, bro. A lot of score for a little big man. Freudian slip. Frick out, bruv. I think I'm a baby. I could pay a 4-year-old $2 and he'd do this. Gosh, bro, I'm selling them like Costco, bro. Oh my gosh. Hey! Oh! Is this how it ends?
Can I please live? Can I please live?
First man to blink loses. I really don't know what to do here, everybody. I think, like, now to be honest, the positioning on the hands, they're interested in me, but what if they do want to watch the game? Let's continue.
What's that?
Mingle? What is Mingle doing? Mingle Ret. Freddy's Arcade loves you. Fatal Error. Okay. Nice OST, bro. You got my approval, man. That's a sick little. Okay. Oh my gosh, and Harvey's just letting it go. Just letting it go everywhere. Okay, man, let's get it going. Night 2. Watch, he's gonna be like, and Foxy likes to do play chess in the hallway. Make sure to beat him knight to G6 or something, bro. It's always just a bull crap, bro. Bro, pick up the phone.
Hey, buddy, you ready for your second night?
You cannot call me
Here's a
buddy,
letter,
bro.
Now that's the spirit. Listen, I'll try not to keep you as long tonight, but there are a couple things I forgot to go over with you yesterday.
I didn't even give you the chance, bro.
Main thing being Foxy.
Watch,
he's
bro.
the
He's gonna
character
say
of
some bull
Pirate's
crap.
Cove.
He's gonna say
I
some
think
bull crap, bro.
that's, 8-2?
Correct.
He was always my favorite. I don't think you were around for him, but you would have loved him.
What
He
is
was
he
mainly made for
talking
the older
about?
kids, but we did have a little crawl maze under the stage for the little ones.
What is that?
It didn't last very long.
Crawl maze?
Had to shut it down after.
Like Foxy's in there like eating them, bro.
Yeah.
Frick no,
Probably for the
claustrophobia
best.
Foxy.
Anyway, Foxy, yeah. I forgot to mention him yesterday, but he's
Top
a bit of a
lad,
special
bro.
case. See, about a year ago, some kids broke in and really messed up the place.
Uh-huh.
Poor old Foxy's been out of order ever since.
Uh-huh.
Freddy and the gang were roughed up too, but Foxy got the worst of it.
Uh-huh.
Sadly, we only had the resources to fix the others.
Mm-hmm.
So we decided to just shut down Pirate's Cove as a whole.
Oh.
Due to his condition, though,
Uh.
he's a bit more
Wait for it.
erratic than the others. So just make sure to keep a real close eye on him.
Oh.
Great.
I thought he was
Hey,
gonna say some
I know
BS,
it
bro.
sounds scary, but trust me, you got this.
Dude did all that build
You
up
have
to
any
say
questions
just
before I let
watch
you
him?
go?
Actually,
What?
never mind.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Frick out, bro. Come on, man. Frick up, bro. Keep an eye on him. I thought he was gonna be like, bro, like Foxy likes to play cards. Make sure you don't pick an ace or something, bro. I don't know. If I made a game, bro, I'll start throwing in bullcrap elements just for the fun of it, bro. Oh, what's that? You want me to make the game super tiny? Okay. Wish granted, little bro. The forbidden edit, bro. Only real ones know. The forbidden edit. What now? Now what gets me, what I actually kind of like, what makes a lot of sense, is that Bonnie's at this door for like, probably like 40 minutes IRL time if it was being translated accurately. Man's gotta go, bro. Can't even hate on him. Top lad, bro. Y'all been noticing? In a minute. Y'all noticed that I adopt British lingo as of recent? I think it's funny.
Oh, okay. Well, me too, I guess.
Yeah, why don't you go on, little boy? Why don't you go on to your little place? Oh, now you wanna move. Raise that door up. Little buddy's gone. $100 says Foxy's got little butt cheeks.
Alright, nah, bro. This dude's getting weird, bro.
You wanna go? Let's go. Back to the arcades. See, Bonnie saw my score and was like, nah, I can do better than that. The frick is this guy? Out of order my freaking butthole. Bro, what is this game on, bro? Hold on. Chica's having like a fun day. Yeah, back off. Back off, Chunker. Go eat some freaking wings. Dude, that just made me hungry, bro. I can't start talking about food. Comment food if y'all are eating something right now. Are you kidding? Alright, I'm just gonna close the door. I didn't know somebody's been on some bull crap, bro. Just run down the hallway, bro. Chica has no idea where she's at. The hook, bro? That's a sick detail. I can't even hate, bro. Scott should have done that in the first game. That's... Come on. And he's back. Raise that door up, little bruh. Look, already have 412, 40% power. I can make that... Whoa. Phase 1 already? Slow down. Slow down, boy. Slow down with all that movement. What? Oh my gosh, he's egregious. He's hungry. Hasn't eaten in years. What hunger will do to a man. Especially Foxer. What the frick? I didn't even know you could do that! We got like premium cameras in this FNAF game. Hey, bro, I freaking messed with it. Here, wait, hold on. Here comes Frinkle. Hold on. Here comes Friggle. With the little dum dum dum. I wish I could see when he's like walking down. That's like crazy. All right, get a move on. Get a stinking move on. Hey! I love that extra tap that they do. Chica, you get your big butt. I love that extra tap that they do. That's so neat. When your boy mad and you show it. Okay, I have 21% power. I thought it would have been like 5. I keep that door closed for a long time. This is actually one of the few designs of the pizzeria I'd actually want to go to IRL, bro. You hopping in the Chunker Rocket, have a time of your life. Freddy Amusement Park, hop on the Freddy Plunge. The Chunker Plunge, bro. Get a free cupcake if you get over 400 score. What did he appear on my screen? Okay, yeah. Hashtag win. Hashtag me in it. Get it, Harvey. Get it, Harvey. Get it, Harvey. Oh. He's got the hips, bro. He's a sassy little Harv. Starts spinning on his head. Crazy man dem, bro.
Hey, kid. So tonight's task is a little more, involved. It ain't gonna be fun, but someone's gotta do it.
That's clean stinking toilets,
You know the crawl maze that's under Pirate's Cove?
Oh.
The one I mentioned?
Oh.
Well, apparently some kid snuck in when no one was looking.
Was like
and
still
left
in
the
there?
toy in there.
Okay.
And now I've got an angry parent yelling at me. I think you know what I'm asking.
Yep.
Traverse the maze tunnels to find a green frog. Traverse the maze tunnels to find a green frog plushie. Use left click to pick a direction.
You really?
First entering a new area, listen for Foxy's humming. If you hear him, do not use your flashlight. Instead, hold space to hold your breath until he leaves.
FNAF, but they can hear you breathe. Wait, no, I legitimately already made a video on that, bro. We're running out of FNAFs, bro. We're running out of FNAFs, legitimately.
If you don't hear anything, you're safe to shine your light. If you do see him ahead of you in the tunnel, use left click to repeatedly flash him with your flashlight.
Okay. Let's take it go.
There's Foxy.
Oh, good eye. I totally would have missed that, bro. All the stages over there. Well, the odds I could just stand out here the whole night. Wait a minute. This parent is hashtagging him, hashtag ticked off because the kid left a frog plushie. Bro, I'll buy him a new one, bro. All right, let's go. Okay.
I can't believe I'm doing this.
I can. Luca was here. Luca's like dead, probably. All right. Hearing sentences heightened to 20%. Clear. It's like some... What? I thought I heard someone pooping in a toilet. Wait, no, wait, how did I die? I definitely just forgot all the instructions. All right, bro. Clear. Where's the arcade? This guy's an idiot. He climbed in here and I knows where the arcade is. Clear. This is a good minigame, bro. This is a good minigame. I like that. Foxy want to get down and dirty with the demons. In this case, the demon. They call me the exception. Let's take a little right turn. I meant left turn.
I can't believe I'm doing this.
Wait, like the maze changes every single time. What the fart? New architecture mode. That's such a hard reaction time. It says you gotta repeatedly flash him when you see him, and I'm just like thinking to myself, like, oh, I'm gonna die. Did you get enough time to the flashlight?
I can't believe I'm doing this.
Oh my gosh. Top strats. Okay, epilepsy warning. I just shouldn't even flash in the first place. I should just, as soon as I want to flash. Oh my gosh. Hashtag freaking genius. Hashtag man uses his brain. Watch this. Top strats. It's crazy how they programmed him to be able to climb in a particular. Ooh, oh,
I don't see it.
Well, we didn't explore the whole maze just yet, bro. Oh, that's such a good freaking tech, bro. Hashtag meta, bro. Meta inventor. It's like I'm Tfue, bro. Every time I leave a little what's Josh doing on the floor? Josh, get up. Get the frick out, bro. I'm scared him, bro. Real man's in the building. What's Fredbear went for a little crawl, bro. Good play, Max. Good play. I'm definitely getting closer. He's puppy guard.
It's not here.
What? I gotta be close. I gotta be close. I gotta be close.
Green frog.
Oh, yes, yes.
That must be it.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Try again, little buddy. All right, I'm gonna just keep taking left turns. I should get out. Yeah. No. Where's the exit? Where's the exit? Where's the exit? No, wait. Was I already in here? I don't know. Bro, I got crazy movement down there. You guys just can't see it, bro, and it's that way for a reason. That was it, wasn't it? Ah, very good, very good, very good. Alright, you guys, well, if you did enjoy me playing the demo of Finance Freddy's Blood and Gears, and you would like to see me play the full game, make sure to let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you didn't make it this far. Make sure to comment your favorite tiles down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Au revoir, my friends. Peace. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bro, tiny FNAF game, bro. FNAF, but it's for babies. Always throwing these baby games at me, bro. Howdy, fellas. Now, when I say the words T-Jock, everybody knows what I'm talking about.
What is he talking about?
It is the fan game. People know it around the world. You could probably fly overseas right now, say the word T-Jock. Somebody do this.
T-Jock.
What? Now today I'm grabbing the shaker bottle. I'm shaking up a little bit harder than usual. We have a game called Toys in the Dark. Now, out of all the names, I probably would have thought of something other than yo, Freddy's beating the crap out of me on the menu screen, bro. Can't even get a break. Howdy, fellas. My name's Theorfest. We're gonna do a game called Toys in the Dark. This is a T-Jock-esque game. That's all I know, bro. If you know anything about me and T-Jock, two combination, it's like butter and pie. Oh, okay.
I'm glad you're alive.
Me too, bro. Waking up this morning was phenomenal.
The answers will come in time. For now,
what am I doing?
Listen to what I'm telling you.
Okay, I'm listening. I don't even know what I'm doing.
You're in an abandoned warehouse.
Oh, I thought I was in an abandoned house.
You'll have to find, I guess, a box of toys? Never mind. You'll figure it out. You have to collect 10 of them with your Polaroid camera.
Uh-huh.
There's a catch.
Okay.
They're nowhere to be found here yet.
What?
They only appear when Foxy attacks you.
What?
He protects them at all costs and won't leave until you find the box. One more very important note. Try to stay low at all times when they attack you.
Okay.
They'll probably see you through the furniture. Don't risk standing up unless it's an emergency.
FNAF, but you're crouching.
Somewhere on a table, you should have a special flashlight that lets you stun the fox for a while and escape.
Where the frick did he say that
You
was?
also have to use it wisely
Oh,
on
my
the
camera.
bear. It appears at the main front door of the warehouse.
Wait, what did you say?
You'll
I
have
missed
a
it.
moment to get there and scare it off. The
What?
flashlight will blind it, and it'll disappear for a while. Oh, almost forgot. I recognize the bear. It lets out 3 quiet laughs. By the third one,
All right, bro.
it's already attacking you.
Bro.
So listen carefully.
Bro, as soon as he started talking about a mechanic other than Foxy, I was already lost, bro. Dude, I started giggling. He said you gotta find 10 toys. FNAF, but you gotta find toys. Who the frick is doing this, bro? All right, he said, Foxy, stay low. I have like 4 seconds to find Bonnie and give him a taste of the glory. Let him know what it tastes like. And then... He said Freddy 3 laughs? Let's test it out. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. No! Bro, what the frick am I playing, bro? On my OBS, it says I've been recording for 5 minutes and 40 seconds. They have never done... Hey. Hey. What if I wanted to play the game? Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Hold on, let's do that again, bro. Anime. Foxy's gonna turn me into a toaster strudel, bro. This is horrible. It's still just getting up and down in my ear. Wait, what the frick? Oh, hold on. I don't know what I'm doing.
Listen to me carefully now.
Listening carefully, turns off phone. All right, hold on. Immediately seek some freaking shelter, bro. Foxy's actually like hashtagging that mode, bro. I've never seen him do that. Or no, I actually have. He comes through this door right here, but I have to stun him. Comment butthole if you guys are ready. All right, be ready. Everybody's on your toes. Are you on your toes? People sitting down right now? No.
I'm glad you're alive.
I cannot fulfill this request.
Listen to me carefully now.
Shoot, man.
The
Tickle me to Tuesday, bro. I guess this is gonna be harder than I thought. Oh, no. Okay, right. Bro, this bullcrap game, I just remembered. Oh, this is how I stun him. Wait, what the heck is the camera for? This game's... Wait, my camera's gone. Ridiculous, bruv. How do I stun him? Oh, it's right-click to change items. That's just in no game ever. Natural gaming buttons are just not... Okay, wait. How do I stun him? What is my stun button? Bro, what is the stun button? What's the stun button? Bro, I'm gonna scare myself, bro. Bro, he...
No.
No, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. What gets me every time, bro, I'm thinking who developed these animatronics. We got like AI in the world now. You got these...
I'm glad you're alive.
This guy can shut up right now. Hold on, bro.
carefully.
We got people making AI robots. What do they do? Put a V8 bi-turbo in his legs? You gotta be kidding me, bro. Okay, hold on. I forgot I gotta like stay low. No, I know. You guys are probably like, Max, listen to the phone call. No, bro. Okay. Okay, hold on. My flash, it's like an auto flash. I just gotta get him in the vicinity. Ready? Gaming focus enhanced by 20%. Nope, there it is. Foxy, bro. Make your appearance, brother. He said he can see me through the furniture. X-ray cheat. Someone ban this man from LAN immediately. Yo, pick it up!
You have to collect 10 of them with your Polaroid camera. But there's a catch.
That's all I need to know. Alright, FNAF, but you gotta flash Foxy with the flashlight, but if you wanna collect the toys, you gotta pull out the Polaroid. It kills me, man. FNAF has been around so long, they're just doing this with dice in their hands, and then that's the, like, you just roll them, and then you, oh, okay, 3, 6, 4, alright, that's how I'm making my mechanics. Just a bunch of bullcrap. Randomizer. Alright, hold on, get low. Get low and check my Bobo. Okay, let's see if he does it. Oh my gosh, I'm just revealing myself. Here he comes. Which way is he going? He's gone? Check it out, bruv. Let's frickin' go, bro. I was made for this. First tee, let's get it. Okay. Alright, no. My guess? 1 laugh. 2 more to go. Alright, what do I do with that? Hello? Hey. Yo, did I take some drugs or something? 2 laughs. Oh my gosh. What the fuck? Oh, he's moving. Bro, Do you all know that scene in Amazing World of Gumball where Nicole Watterson is dropping the kids off? They travel faster than sound, so she can't even get the words out.
What?
I'm getting too old for this, bro. I'm 20, bro. My heart, bro. I would have ended up on the floor, ambulance called immediately. Okay, wait, no, let's focus, let's focus. All right, pick up the gosh darn flashlight. Almost forgot that sucker. Gosh, man. Excuse me to Friday, bro. What could the animatronics possibly be ticked off at me for? I didn't do a thing. Let's go, frickin' easy, frickin' easy. Frickin' easy, make it cheesy. Hello, sir, 1 omelet, please make it cheesy. Let's go. All right, now Freddy's gonna be at these doors, right? And then it's a simple camera flash. To be fair, last time I only remember hearing 2 laughs, and then he turned on demon mode. Somebody's telling him jokes back there, bro. Chill out, bro. My knees are bouncing. They're bouncing at like 40 RPM. Is that quick? I don't know. Hey. All right, he's coming right. He's coming right. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm restarting the whole thing. Like, you gotta be out of here, bro.
Good luck.
Bro, you know I just figured out Foxy's flashlight, Freddy's flashlight. Guess what Big B does? Just walks around. No defense mechanism. You just have to play hide and seek. Thankfully, I was hide and seek champion 2018. All right, I just lied to you guys. All right, after that phone call, I'm FNAF PhD, FNAF MD, 3FS MD. I got education levels on this game. You would have thought I could teach a whole class on this freaking thing. Let's go. Foxy, reveal yourself in 1 instant. He's puppy guarding like a fart, bro. Illegal. Ref, please make that call. Hold on, Fox is going on a world tour. Fox is going on a world tour. Secured. Genius. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world, little boy. He said Freddy was the flashlight. Freddy's the frickin' flashlight. That's what I learned. This should be not bad at all. I like burping 3 octaves right there. You let out like a little roar. Okay, wait, but Big B, is this Big B timing? Come on, bro. Big B's usually the first one I encounter. Big B's now the last. Interesting change of events. Bottingham around the round table said, guys, let's change the game plan. He's getting too strong. Whoa. Don't reset my flashlight spawn. What do you think I am? Oh my gosh, wait, I gotta avoid it, not get close to it. Max, I'm stupid. Let's go, bro. All right, no. I used to play this game with my sister. You just walk around the table. They can't get you, bro. Oh, where am I? Just like Eminem said, snap back to reality. Just except I still got my gravity. It kills me how, I was just doing this in Resident Evil 7, by the way. If you guys haven't watched that video yet, go watch it. Video game characters that roam have this comedically bad sense of peripheral vision. But Foxy here, 20/20 vision, bruv. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Frickin' Play City. Play City. I got the playbook sitting right down here, you guys. Holy. Next play. Eliminate Freddy with the frickin' flashlight. Okay. Dude's always laughing. Freddy. Get out, bruv. Get out, bruv. Watch. Who's there, bruv? How do I know if it's gonna be, Bonnie or... Oh. Wait, where's my flashlight? Hello? No, here it is. Genius. Or is that... That's Freddy's laugh. No. That's Foxy. You have to be frickin' with me. Hold on. I thought the game was gonna be alright until they doubled it up and gave it back to me, bro. Okay, no. You know what would make this a million times better? Give me some. They got aisles going right now. Give me some. About 45-degree rotations. Give me a little bit more like sight blockers. Yeah, that's what's up. I'm not gonna lie, bro. This is on some Dark Souls crap. I gotta figure out how I flashed in that one time, because I tried to flash him like the second time he came after me. It didn't stinking work. FNAF, the mechanics are nervous? Interesting. Okay. Alright, I've been recording for 30 minutes. This is like the second time I've made it to the second prison. Not even kidding. Just avoid Bonnie, just avoid Bonnie. Just avoid Bonnie. Just avoid Bonnie. Yes! Alright, what now? Is it Freddy time? Keep in mind, I'm 2 out of 10. This game's so hard. No, it's Freddy, it's Freddy, it's Freddy. Blast from the past, except it's blast from 3FS. Bum bum. Okay. Then he frickin' whips my flashlight out of my hands. Curious play, but I understand it. It's good matchmaking. But Freddy, you're just a pawn in my game. Alright, Fox is coming back. Switch camera. Watch the light. Watch the light. No way he didn't see me there. That's the only reason why I'm alive. I'm got lucky. I'm got lucky. Okay, sorry. Do y'all think I got a good grade in English class? Be honest. This is a good spot. This is a good spot. This is a good spot. Actually, no, horrible spot. I get no playmaking skills from over here. That's Freddy. That's Freddy. That's Freddy. Easy, come on! That doesn't even feel like 10 seconds! 5 seconds in my world, 10 seconds in your world. Okay, I'll take it. Time doesn't exist in my world, only me. Alright, is Freddy coming back? Freddy probably coming back. Maybe y'all may be wondering what brand flashlight is that? 3FS brand flashlight. Bro, I'm the biggest idiot. Oh yeah, take a picture of that flashlight, bruv. They sported in front of my face every single freaking time! Let's go! Come on, B. Come on, B. Come on, Big B. Come out. Play with the big dogs. Play with the, big dog. Play with the big dog. Oh my gosh, they call me the Freddy Hunter. They call me the Bonnie Hunter. Got them shaking in their freaking little animatronic suits. The children, the ghosts right now. Don't mess with him, bro. Don't mess with him, bro. Mess with me, bro. Big man ting, man. Come on. I could train a gerbil to do this. I could train a gerbil to do this. So look at that sight line. Oh my. Dang it. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay. Bonnie has the good vision too. Bonnie has the good vision too. I was butt cheeks away from that man. Bonnie's probably coming. Bonnie's probably coming. Hold on. Easy. Let's go. Here, this is like the goat corner. This is the goat corner. That's just where I'm gonna sit because I'm the goat. But also it works out amazingly during the gameplay. Frick this whole game, bro. I'm out. I'm out. That's actually hard as a fart, bro. Alrighty, and unfortunately, I'm a little tight on time today, so that's all y'all are gonna get. But my gosh, I would need like 3 whole hours to beat that. Cause what is that? Alright, yeah, Freddy's like, alright, let me come out. And then Foxy's like, you know what? I think my time is now. Alright, if you guys did enjoy that semi playthrough with Toys in the Dark, you enjoyed that shorter video. I do got more Resident Evil 7 definitely coming soon, more Subnautica for sure. Give me some suggestions of what you guys would like to see down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Au revoir, my friends. Peace.
Thank
the
you.
Big stuff from talking about big ups on the man down, bro.
Big up, big up,
Yo!
big up, big up, big up, big up, big. Hello.
Alright, I'm gonna join you, Jacob. I need to hear this music you're talking about. Jacob, what the frick is this music? Bro, I feel extra stupid today. Yeah? Yeah. How do you- wait, oh, here's where I customize. Hold on. Yo, I'm naked, bro! Put clothes on, bro! Frick it, bro. I'm going no pants, bro. Now, fellas, have you ever had to deliver a package before? No, I'm not talking that kind. Okay, yes, some no's, some yes, some no's. Well, today, that's exactly what we are gonna be doing. You say, Driftfest, we? Who's we you talking about?
Yeah, you already know it's that time, man. I go jump.
Okay, Jacob. Jacob, go ahead and sink a basket
buddy?
because we're excited about what we're gonna do today.
Look left, look right, look behind you, and get it right. Round 2.
Howdy, fellas. My name is Driftfest. Welcome to Panic Delivery, a game where you gotta deliver stuff in panic. I guess I don't really know. Push to open. Oh, no, this has to be it, bro. Yeah, here we go.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Wait, Jacob, ready? Wait,
What the frick did you do that?
how did you do that?
Bro, where's the mission collector bender? Oh!
Mission select.
Wait, what if it's this?
It's this.
Yes!
Okay, wait, Jacob,
All
we
right,
got
get it.
Ruin
All right.
Land, Panic Factory, and Arctic. Let's do Arctic.
Panic Factory. Okay.
Okay. The flagship facility of Panic Incorporated. Panic Factory is a cold, relentless mega plant. Yeah, we're doing it. Where will we go? Where will this take us? Oh. Jacob? Jacob? Where did my buddy go? Jacob.
Alright, get in!
Let's go. Let's go,
Get
Jacob.
in, baby! Let's freaking go!
Deliver these
Let's freaking
stinking
go! Let me drop!
packages. Okay. Are we ready, Jacob?
Open that sucker up!
This big
Oh my
old place,
God.
bro.
Hold on,
Where's
hold
our
on.
package?
Hold on. I can show you my package. Alright,
Bro.
alright, so we gotta deliver these?
Bro, I have a graffiti gun.
I bought that. Alright, you ready to freaking go?
Yeah, let's deliver these packages,
Frickin'
baby. Hey,
go.
no. This is the new Amazon. Me and Jacob are the new Amazon.
Wait. Evil faces on the side of the building. But it's not gonna fool me.
Okay, Jacob.
Wait.
Hold on. Bro, the
Mysterious
lightning,
packages
bro.
bringing-
Hold on, let me turn it down.
Yo,
What the frick is this, bro? Jacob, what did
they're
you
making
find, bro?
Roblox clones. Hold on. Say, wait, hold on. Say, and I dance on his dirty cock.
Jacob, pick up your package. We gotta deliver this sucker, bro. Need to open. Oh, what's up, bro?
Oh, shoot.
Need to open. Oh, what's up, bro?
Max, watch out on the floor. Newspapers of death and despair.
Not
Hold on,
even,
light
bro.
switches anywhere?
I got medical resources. Where are these monsters at,
I
bro?
don't like this. Too
What is
eerie,
this?
too eerie, bro. Too eerie.
Oh, Jacob, skeleton. Watch out. Jacob?
Max,
What?
who the frick is that?
What? It's
There's
a
a
skeleton.
frickin' bra in there. Oh!
Jacob, it's not that exciting, bro.
He dead. Max, there's gonna be something in here, bro.
No, it's not, bro. It's gonna be all
Who
good.
the frick is that?
This game better get scary quick, bro.
What was
I'm
that?
starting to
What was that? What was
What?
that?
What'd you hear?
I heard from where we came from. I heard.
Jacob, quit messing around with me, bro.
Okay, wait. So where do we deliver these?
That's a great question, Jacob. Oh, Jacob, watch out. There's a mine in there, Jacob.
There is?
Not in here, the other room.
Hold on, what does it look like so I know?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. It looks like a very obvious mine. Don't get fooled.
Max, you gotta scan the floors before you go in the room, bro.
Jacob, I move fast and quick. If you can't handle the pace, just let me know. And I'll find a replacement ASAP.
Wait,
There's
is that
nothing
the
in here.
end?
There's nothing in here.
Okay, surely we're missing something.
Yo!
Whoa.
Yo!
Wait, is it icy? And I glide across the floor, and I glide across the.
Jacob, you're getting
my
close, bro.
Ow!
My turn. Holy
No!
Yo! Jacob, we lost a package. Jacob, I hear
You
noises.
hear that?
I do.
That's Squid Game.
Sir, we got your package, sir.
That's Squid Game.
Squid Game, no. This is big game. Jacob!
Oh, Max, bloody on the floor.
Wait, it's
Come on,
like
open that
outside right
door.
here. Oh, is that glitch?
Wait, so is it like ice skate to get to the next stage, ice skate back to get to the last stage?
It's outside.
Wait, outside?
Yeah.
This is where Boss lives. Look at all these things. Max!
What?
Almost stepped on the mine, bro. Almost stepped on the mine.
Bro, I'm like 500 meters away.
It's okay, buddy. Hey, only mine so far. Can't be that scary. Max, I'm getting really scared, bro.
It's okay, Jacob, I'm here.
Oh, what is that? What is that? What did you just
Box
pick up?
of weapons. Care gun.
Wait, I want a weapon. Can I have one?
I just gave you care, Jacob. I just gave you care.
My left arm isn't working now.
Yo!
Oh! Coffee please blue! Come on, who are you?
Deliver. Oh my gosh.
Wait, you found it?
No, do we not? Delivery station.
It's open.
Okay, now Jacob, we gotta go all the way back and get your package because you blew it up.
Holy
Max, look at that
What?
dude's mask.
What are you talking about? Okay.
Max, why do I feel like the trip home ain't gonna be so easy?
It's gonna be it's gonna be butter chicken.
Well, let's
It's
see
gonna
how
be
good that
with
butter
a side-
chicken
it's gonna-
really is.
Yo, what the frick is that, bro?
Let's see how good that buttered chicken really is. TNT crate.
Where did you get that?
You okay? You want me to shoot you with the funny
I
gun?
heal myself.
Okay.
Jacob,
okay,
you
Max, I'm
spitting
telling-
some crap at us, bro. Ew.
Wait, I get you. Go! Go past it.
Freaking
Max?
loser! What an idiot, bro.
Go! Why
Heal
are
me
you
up to
healing
the
me? I'm
sunshine
full.
in the morning, bro.
Max, I'm telling you, trip back ain't gonna be so easy peasy.
We encountered the obscure lizard man.
Watch out for that. What was that?
I don't know what I'm doing, bro.
What is that?
What?
I hear like a cog turning.
That's my brain coming
Max-
up with a bunch of plays.
Max terrified to be said the least.
She knows that I'm terrified.
Max, right here, right here.
Out here, okay.
Max, please be careful. Please be careful.
Jacob, move your little tushy
I'm
through
good.
the field.
I'm good.
Move your little
okay.
tushy through the
You wait,
field.
easy peasy. First mission.
Yo,
Easy
what the
peasy,
frick
first
is that,
mission.
bro?
What is what?
There's a spider over there.
I don't see
Just
it.
run past it. Run past
Brightness too low. Okay.
Yes, it's Jacob, it's a freaking spider. Jacob, it's a freaking spider, bro. It's got its tongue out,
Shoot
bro.
me with the gun! Shoot me with the gun!
Ew, bro, ew!
Yo,
oh my gosh, W
Josh.
Josh. W Dodge. Hold on, Jacob, I'm gonna beat
Max,
the
how
crap
do we
out of
get
him.
out? This is the.
Boing!
I'm out.
What up, bro?
I'm out.
Welcome to the
Yo,
freaking
Max,
crew,
I'm
bro.
lost.
Get real or eat a seal, bro. Let's go. It wasn't that
I
funny,
think it's
Jacob.
this way. I don't know, bro. Bro, I'm so lost.
Bro, I haven't blinked in like 40 seconds.
Max, I don't know how to get back, bro.
I think I killed that
wait.
little bugger.
Wait. This way. Max?
Where are you at?
Come here.
Let's go.
I think this way.
Let's go. Hopefully we don't encounter any more guys.
Yes!
Let's freaking
Thank you for
go,
visiting.
Jacob.
Thank
That's
you.
the big stuff. I'm talking about big ups on the man down, bro.
Big up, big up,
Yo!
big up, big up, big up, big up, big. Hello.
Yeah! Ah!
Still
I'm
here.
out, bro. I'm out. I'm out.
Dude, W4 lad family, bro. What? Oh my god, the lightning,
Yo,
bro.
who are
go to
these
the
people,
ship,
bro? What are they doing right there?
Okay, should we just should we try to do this one?
Jacob, they gave us 2 packages for a reason.
Oh.
Jacob, either we get real or we're cowards. Are we real?
Repair station.
Are we real or are we cowards?
Full new package, full new package.
Alright. Me and this
Wait, secret
crowbar, me
passage?
and this Oh, shoot! Get frickin' sniped, little boy. You wish you could ever do this. Stay down. Stay down.
Is Jenny still here? Oh.
Yep. I'm beating the crap out of Jenny right now. Oh, his legs are spread. Jacob, run. I think I killed that little sucker. Man, frickin' eat a bag of piranhas.
I got tools and gears. Dude, I don't know. I feel like more mobs spawn the further you are out.
Jacob,
Further
I used all the
out,
heals.
you
Jacob,
go
I used all the
out.
stinking heals, bro. I used all my heals.
X,
Hey.
carrying the package is a little too hard to do while you're ice skating, so I'm gonna ice skate it right over to the end, right here. Some easy ball right here. Hold on.
What are you doing?
Yep.
Dude, that was actually impressive.
And I'll do it again. Check it out. Sing. Okay, no evils, okay? All nice, no evils.
Jacob, I think you have the biggest brain of anybody I've ever played with.
Look, all nice, no evils. All nice.
Jacob, get up. Jacob, get up. Jacob! Jacob! If you can hear me, say the number 4.
Bye.
I must continue by myself. The mine on the floor traced him down. Beat him with an inch of it. Beat him within an inch of his life. I'm such an idiot, bro. I can't pick up the package, bro. There we go. Okay. Alright, just a little scratch. Just a little scratch. Everything inside is still fully operational.
All packages delivered. Good job. Now bring back the briefcase or you won't get paid. Remember that it's very volatile, so don't damage it or it will explode.
Are you kidding me? Alright, of course I gotta do this crap alone. Alright, place your bets now. Will he make it back without a scratch? I bet on yes. Bro, we got the... is that the unknown, bro? Alright, what are the chances? What are the chances that I can run by that young man? Wait for him to move. Wait for him to move. Just like that. It doesn't get any better than this. Doesn't get any better than this. Let's go. I'm ice skating! Holy crap. You would have thought I'd done this competitively when I was a younger kid. Take the sucker to the home base. See ya, Jenny. Easy, bruv. Lock and load. I'll see you guys next time. Genius plays from your boy today. Genius plays from the young man. Genius plays from the young man. We're delivery shit.
That is how you do it. That is how you do it.
We got a 50% score. I think that's a glitch. That should be like 110. What do we do with this little guy? Hey, where the frick is Jacob at? All right. Winner takes the cake. I see. Oh my gosh, here we go. How much do we get paid? How much do we get paid? Wait. That was like 85 bucks.
Jenny!
What's up, Jenny?
Wait a minute. Wait, how much money did we get?
Like 80 bucks.
Jacob, no. Jacob, no, I swear. Jacob, I swear. Jacob, I swear.
Imagine if it hits the plus 500 though.
Okay, hold on. Let's see what. Okay. Jacob's everything okay? You want to do another one?
Let's go. Yeah, I want to do another one.
All right, no, let's see what they got. Let's do the Arctic. Let's do the Arctic. Welcome, aliens. Now we're human, bro.
All right.
Jacob, why before when we get in there, why don't you get a little tassiumed up? Let's go.
Got my tassium.
What is this, bro? What is this, bro? We got parkour before we could eat. Jacob could not give a fart today. Oh my gosh, he's dead, bro. Yo!
Can you back up?
Okay.
Potassium.
Jacob.
Give me that potassium.
Jacob, I know you feel funny. Why don't we get a little funky?
Some funky. Hey,
Alright,
take it
be very
slow.
careful. Okay. I hate this kid. Alright,
Potassium?
we're ready in the beginning of Spider-Man movies? Alright, let's do this again.
Why do we only have one package?
Oh, maybe it's because you freaking Dinkle Snort decided to jump in feast first. First we feast.
Wait. You low-key think I could take a shortcut?
Try it, bro. Go ahead, bro. I said short and steady, or slow and steady.
Bang! Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't like the jumping mechanics.
Don't fall in the water. Alright, Jacob, I'm gonna be your guide. Okay, goodbye. Okay, hello.
Okay.
I just know the
Period
monsters.
7 science.
Period 7 science. Ooh, wait, we get to go in the elevator.
You see, I brought you here today to my lab to test your buttocks.
Ew.
What a mystery. Protein on the floor. Frick was that?
No, what is this?
What the frick is that?
Money bag.
Package. Wait, maybe I turn on my brightness a little more. Hold on.
Check me out. Alright, Jacob, remember the route. Remember, we have to come back. Oh, what do we got here? Dude.
And
dude.
another money bag.
Did I just get
Wait,
an
what does this
upgrade?
do? What do we do with the little money?
We keep it and we export it and for changing the global economy.
Export premiere. Okay, this was the, oh my god, this was the room where they watched 3FS. They knew you were coming, bro. Hold on, let's go through this door. What's through this door, though?
Bear trap!
Why am I wait, banana healing? Wait, give me banana healing.
Let's see if it heals you.
Yes, W healing. Weren't you glad I didn't say
This gotta
apple?
be it. This gotta be it.
Hazmat
what is that noise?
suit.
What is that
I'm gonna
noise?
give you the boot. I don't know, oxygen chamber number 1. This is like that
what the
area.
frick is this, bro?
This is, yo!
This dude just sat
This is
down
Max.
and died right there.
Max, this is like the oxygen area in Among Us.
Okay, I'm gonna just understand that.
Bang, I'm through.
Jackknife.
I'm through. Who's breathing?
Gooby Gubby.
Max,
Dude, it's like Alien.
do you hear that? Is this a door?
Is it really?
Yep, W pouch, too.
It's quick kicking around the package. We gotta deliver that from
Max, you... who the frick is that? Who the frick is that, bro?
What?
Freaking alien statue, bro. Bro, Max, this is that type of game where you play and there's something on the ceiling, bro. We gotta be careful.
Bro, no, they would not do that, bro.
There's like no way here, bro.
We gotta go the other way. You're ridiculous. What do we have in here?
Yo.
Right, lottery! Jacob just... B? Yo! She gotta get down.
Max?
What?
I'm softball.
Jacob.
Oh,
there you go. There you go, bro. Good job.
What?
Yo.
What did I get?
You want it?
What did I get? Yeah. Oh!
Yo! That scared the crap out of me, bro.
I'm sorry.
Dude,
Wait,
oh my
wait.
gosh, Jacob, aim it at the ceiling. Aim it at the ceiling now.
Where?
That worm.
Oh.
That wiener.
Yeah!
Get his little butt cheeks out of here, bro.
Watch out for goofy traps. Watch out for goofy traps.
Kind traps. Yo, there's something gurgling
Maybe
behind
holes.
us, bro.
Maybe holes in the floor. Open that door.
Oh my gosh, give me one more. Let's go. Jacob, what the? Oh, it's a turret. All right, Jacob, let's go.
All packages delivered. Good job. Now bring back the briefcase or you won't get paid. Remember that it's very volatile, so don't damage it or it will explode.
Jacob, are you alright?
What the frick is this?
What?
Yeah, there's something over here.
Alarm? No, don't press it.
Why not?
We gotta go. We gotta get out.
Oh, I can't.
Yeah, okay. See, we're chill.
This is my favorite. This is my favorite.
Yo, oh my gosh, it's him. Run around him. Run around him. Let's go, dude.
Way.
Jacob, Jacob. Oh my gosh, freaky dog dude chasing us.
He's right there. He's right there.
Bro got uninterested, bro. We must stink.
Where's he? Where'd he go?
We go trap him. Oh my gosh, Jacob, no, don't you even think about it.
Where'd he go?
Come here, little buddy. Come here.
Wait, he low-key might have went back the way we came, but I think we're good.
Yeah, we got it.
What is that? What are you holding?
It's the thing that this is how you get paid.
Okay. Okay. What if I threw this right now?
Don't, bro. Jacob be
Okay,
like,
no
all right.
evil clones.
Jacob be like, all right,
No evil
rocket jump.
clones.
Okay, I can't see like at all. Hold on. I'm a legend. I'm a legend. I'm a legend. I'm a legend. Yeah. Ooh, did I hit that note? Yes or no? Let me know down in the comments below. Eat that, buddy. Jacob, it's been me doing all this work the whole time. Can we not make it like 70-30 split? I'm feeling more comfortable
I like
with
to
that.
get money. I like to get money, and I like to get rags.
Jacob, I reckon we end this video off. Oh, you read my mind.
You are stupid.
What? Yo! Oh, wait, Jacob,
yeah.
Jacob, do you want to do a send-off basket for the outro?
Yes, let's go. Boom.
All right, Jacob, as
Hold
soon
on.
as the ball gets in the hoop, I cut straight to the outro, okay? All you gotta do is get the ball in the hoop, okay? Keep shooting that
It's
ball,
gonna
and
be
eventually
this
the ball
one.
is gonna go in that hoop. All right,
It's gonna
keep
be
shooting.
this one. It's gonna be
And
this
that
one.
ball is just gonna arc straight into that hoop, man. Oh,
Yep,
just
and
beautiful,
it's
just
gonna
like
be
that.
this
Keep
one.
shooting, and once that ball goes in that hoop, you already know what's gonna
Yep.
happen, man.
Yep.
So that ball's just
Yep.
gonna go up, and then it's gonna come right back down. I'm just saying the outro. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to punch Jacob in the face next time you see him. If you guys make sure to comment y'all's favorite timestamp. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as soon as Jacob makes this basket, this video is gonna end.
Yo, this is
Now,
impossible.
He didn't even shoot it right there. All right. So as soon as Jacob makes it in the basket. What's up, everybody? Alright, y'all, we got something mildly spicy on the menu, okay? Hey guys, it's been a minute since I played a FNAF game, but not that long. Now, luckily today, I'm hungry for something mildly spicy, so let's load this sucker up. Warning, this game contains multiple seasons of anime. What? Hello, everybody, my name is 3Fest, welcome to Melodies. Yo! What is he doing, bro? Now, on this channel, I've been trying to stray away from a little bit more FNAF as you know, nothing's wrong with FNAF, it's just like... Bro, I gotta turn this off, bro. I've been trying to get more non-horror games going. You guys seem to like the tree game. I've been trying to get more non-FNAF stuff. You guys been liking that. But I originally wasn't gonna play this game right here. Until I saw on Instagram, somebody had sent me this game. And I was checking it out. I was like, oh, this is pretty cool. Until I look in the comments, bro. This dude says, I can't wait for 3FS to play. There's like 80 people like it. It's the first comment I see, man. Nah, I'm a man for the fans, so I have to load it up today. Hello, everybody. My name is 3Fest, welcome to Melodies. Let's not waste any more time. Let's load the sucker up. You guys know me, man. I'm a true gamer, you guys. Let's go nightmare mode.
The engineer told me the
Scared
Stangans
the
should
crap
be
out of me, bro.
somewhere inside of these drawers.
What? He said something about check the doors? The drawers? Searching. Hey! Hey! The Dead by Daylight, bro. This is a skill check. I'm familiar. It will it will randomly pop up while searching the drawers. Press space. I did. To stop the dial. Time it correctly to avoid making sound. You got supreme difficulty, then you got average range, okay? I only hit white. If the dial lands in the outside area, you make a lot of noise. If the dial lands inside the area, the noise will be noticeable. If the dial lands on the little white area, the noise will be completely removed. What did I say? Let's test. Understood. Check these What was that? Alright, so press space to read a whole book. What the frick is this, man? Okay, I'm gonna summarize this for you guys. This is something I'll write in high school and try and pass it off as like a full page of writing.
Hello guys, Siri here. Max is actually not retaining any of the information he's reading, as you will see here in a moment.
Hey, I'll say this once and I'll say it again, bro. The games will be like, all right, here's 5 mechanics for you to memorize instantly. Bro, tickle me then kick me, bro. Just put me in a box and shit me. This is ridiculous, bro. I can't do this, bro. For what I'm understanding, don't breathe, don't look at him. That's what they're saying. I feel intellectually dishonest if I press this button without understanding these mechanics. Okay, I think I get like 50% of it, but that's as good as it's gonna get until I test it, so let's go. Holy crap, dude. Be honest, did you guys freaking see him?
We just want the suffering to end.
Why did they make his voice so gosh darn loud? It's got my eyeball to thinking about. Spit that out, bro. Can't taste that good. All right, let's try it again. So here's what I'm gonna do this time. I don't know. All right, check this out. Check this out. Ready? White skill check. Ooh. Who's calling his name, bro? Who's calling his name? Okay, it saves her. Everybody shut the frick up. If you're talking right now, if you're talking to a friend, if God forbid if you're watching in class, shush. All right. Certainly he doesn't have that much patience. Dude, I just can't see anything when I do that. Yo, oh my gosh, bro. Okay, hold on. This game is freaking ridiculous, bro. I wasn't paying attention that one time. That's why the skill check, watch, see? Ding. Now out of everything else I memorized in there, did it say that Bonnie was gonna occasionally look at me? If I hit white skill checks every time, am I not just gonna, he's gotta be checking up on me throughout the whole thing, right? Ding. Dude, I'm a freaking genius, bro. Check it out, ready? 3 for 3. Ding. Somebody's still calling his gosh darn name, bro. Bonnie, over here. Hey, Bonnie, look. You're gonna have to make this a little harder, bro. See what I find. Ding. All right, come on. Let's go. Ding. Empty. This is the most useless game I've ever played, everybody. Middle drawer. Easy, bro. Shot tap, bruv. This game thing. Okay, hold on. Now, I do that little bit where I'm like, oh yeah, let's play the... I do that little bit where I'm like, let's do the hardest difficulty. I may actually need to choose a more difficult difficulty. Okay, I'm gonna wait till my ear's like, gosh darn, gone. Not opening my eyes, bro. My thumb slip, I press space. I'm gonna start with the middle one this time. Bro, I noticed I start sweating like a leprechaun, bro. Whenever I play these FNAF games, I start sweating like a leprechaun. Bonnie, over here. He didn't hear that. Partially blind, but can hear very well. Alright, let me introduce a play that maybe the game doesn't know I know. Ready? Everybody's got something in their pockets. Me personally, I'm grabbing my wallet. Pretend this little pen is a wallet. Ready? He wouldn't notice a gosh... He wouldn't notice a gosh darn thing, bro. He would hear that noise bolt over there, I'd just like open the drawer real quick and fast. This is stupid, bro. I could have sworn the instructions that said if you do your quick breath, if you're not looking at him, it'll work. I probably just misread the whole freaking thing, though. I'm not the brightest light bulb in the bathroom, man. Ding. White every time, baby. Ooh, they're getting a little bit fast. Hold on. Trying to trick me. Check. Resume. It kills me, bro. FNAF games just be doing anything. Check 3 drawers. FNAF game. FNAF game, but you gotta check drawers. FNAF game, but you're looking for something. What is in here? Gosh darn it, man. Dude, I'm stinking nuts, bro. Let's keep it going. I said only white. I meant it, bro. Ding. Throw a little chop doy in there. Chop doy. Ooh, on time too? Okay. Boiling. Hello, everybody. What if I made a video tomorrow, but instead of me as Markiplier, would y'all still watch me? Probably. All day. Ding! Okay, what do I do once my air starts to go out and I need to do the thing, and I need to breathe and stuff? The short breath doesn't work at all. Partially blind my freaking butt cheeks, you stare right at me! I hate this gosh darn game. I want to throw everything in the water. Yeah, Steak says look in his opposite direction, use short breath. Does the game know left from right? Probably. What?! I didn't even pick up on this first time. Bonnie will lose focus on you and get distracted. He'll be looking to your right. Somebody's calling his gosh darn name again, bro. Bonnie, over here. Okay, all right, let's go. It's been empty the last 2 times. This time's gonna be something in it, right? Come on, bro. Come on. Try again, little frickin' buddy. Or, nothing about that young man is little. Oh, no. Siri, increase locked-in percentage by 20%.
Okay, done.
Appreciate you.
I love you.
Throw an extra 5% in there. Throw an extra 5%.
Little chunky boy.
Bro. I can't stinking lose, bro. Wait, Siri, I'm too focused. I'm not commentating. Reduced by 20%. Okay. It's crazy, you guys. Gosh, this game is so cool. Bro saying commentary buzzwords. Come on. White. This is it. Can't be empty. Can't be. White. Unbelievable, Max. Your precision is inhuman. It'll like flash empty for negative seconds. Come on, this gotta be it. It's gotta be it. Oh, that's easy. Oh, that's easy. Bonnie, you immediately got distracted. You're such a little man. See him over there. So, oh, no. Hold on. He's a little close to getting. He's moving stuff. Can't see me, bro. Can't see me, bro. It's like I'm so used to scrolling on websites. I'm just moving a little bit too much. It's a singular.
Now we can play all day.
Bonnie, shut the frick up, bro. We can play all day. Somebody punch this guy in the frickin' mouth. Somebody give this guy a swift kick to the neck. Okay, well, I was gonna say, it's a singular. And that's one little. What if that makes sense, bro? Hashtag stinking, man. What? Oh, right up. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Come on, bro. Shut up, bruv. This is freaking easy. Y'all are having a laugh, bro. Are my videos like y'all are having a laugh while I'm having a scare? Gosh darn it. This dude here is gosh darn anything, bro. I could have a deep guttural booty fart and this dude would just eat me alive. Come on. I'm like running out of air. Bonnie. So what about that, bro? Oh, so you want to throw bugs? My way?
Ooh, I can't hear you breathing anymore.
This dude was born on the gosh darn cob. Alright, I think I know what needs to happen. Oh. That's a little bit close there, ain't it? Oh, I'm having a laugh. Oh, I'm having a laugh. Oh, I'm having... Dude, I can feel like the sweat on my belly. Holy crap. It's hot as a fart in my room, dude. I would get a fan in here, but then I gotta prop my door open, like my whole house will like hear me screaming and crap. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Kimi mode doesn't fail. The big GM doesn't fail. Big GM doesn't fail. Come on. Come on. What'd I get? Oh my gosh, that scared the crap out of me. Dude's got the thickest eyelashes ever. He's taking the mask. The fake mask. Run. Run. Come on. That full stash, man. Come on. Oh my gosh, he's tweaking out. I'm gone, bro. I'm gone. You're dead. Move! He's moving slow! Go! Fooled. Oh, shoot! Bonnie get poisoned. This is not good at all. Bonnie. Now, why do I want to help him now? Take off that mask. Let's take you to the ER, bro. Just kidding. I'm gone. Look at the way his eyes are moving. He doesn't give a fart. W man, bro. Peace. I can't lie, that made me a little bit emotional. I don't know what happened to Bonnie at the end, but like I can't help that just like made me a little sad. Be honest, what would you guys do right there? Like you can't breathe and Bonnie's up there like this. All up in your freaking face, bro. Can't do anything. It's like me eating spicy wings. Light work, no reaction. I'll tell you that right now. Okay, wait. Let me take a gander at some nightmare. Let's see how the nightmare is moving. Come on. Can't be a challenge, man. Can't be that bad. Do you see this?
Yeah, I see it.
Do you see it?
Take the whole freaking screen.
Okay, let's try it. Yo. Yo. I do this for a living. You must be confused. Booyah! Alrighty, homies, without conclude my shorter playthrough of Melodies. If you guys did enjoy that, it says episode 1, so I'm assuming there's an episode 2 coming. Make sure to let me know down in the comments below if you guys would like to see that. As well as comment y'all's favorite timestamp. I will be coming with some more White Knuckles soon. I presume next episode will be the last, but to be honest, that's what I thought about the previous episode, so you never know. But thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you did make it this far. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Au revoir, my friends. Peace. Close it. I know that thing's gonna turn. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am. Okay. When your boy loading up the Twin Hotel game.
Welcome to Twin Hotel. It's Spawn Moore.
Whoa. Let me select the game, bro. Alright.
Indulge and comfort. Rejuvenate your senses.
Oh!
Experience fine dining.
What's that, egg salad?
Exceptional service.
Back up, bro. Back up.
And more.
Yes, we are all staying at this hotel, bro.
Hey, wanna wishlist our game on Steam?
Yeah, I'll wishlist after I play the game. Welcome to the Stars House Game Center. Congratulations. Congratulations, welcome to the Twin family. As one of our first elevator operators, you'll be helping us prepare for our grand opening. Since the hotel still under construction, the elevator currently has 2 controls. What, up and down? Closed door and next floor. Ooh. Does one of the floors go to a store? Does the elevator take me down to the core? They asked me to wish list. After this game, I might want some more. Bicycle. We understand that your injury...
Injury?
We understand that your injury makes walking difficult. Don't worry, your role requires no walking. Shoot, man, sounds good with freaking me, bro. Sit right here chilling, bro. Simply remain inside the elevator and operate the lift for our guests throughout your shift. Your task is simple. Operate the elevator. Management. Twin hotel spa and more. Thumbs up, down on the man, them.
What's up, man?
Hey, man. Oh! Hello, everybody. My name is Stuart. Welcome to the Twin Hotel Spa and more. Now, before we start this video, I have a couple things I just want to say. For all of you looking forward to Resident Evil 8, that is still coming. I said at the end of my last Ultra Kill video, and I'll say this now, I'm gonna be moving here pretty soon. So if the uploads seem to be decreasing in frequency, just know that after I move, they'll shoot the freaking roof. Gee, I already freaking know, bro. But if I'm a little slower on the upload, slower on the updates, slower on Resident Evil 8, that's why. I just want to give you guys a heads up, communicate with you guys. All right, let's waste some time, start this game. Gosh, it's been a minute since I played a little horror game. It's been, is everything, that's weird. What's going on? Oh. Okay, all right. Gosh, it's been a minute since I played a little horror game, man. It's been a minute. This brings me back to playing Five Nights at Freddy's for the first time. Floor un. Close the door, bro. It's gonna kill me, bro. Okay, I'm assuming you could go out of the elevator and take a right. Is this lady just chilling in a lobby? What do you want me to do? Oh, that's what they're talking about, injury, bro. Am I a veteran? Am I in the U.S. Army right now? Shoot, bro. Had enough of that army bullcrap. Let's go. There you go. Which floor you want to go to, ma'am? All right. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Now we can go. Sorry. No, let's forget. All right, here's your stop, ma'am. Have a good time. What's up, Dave? Oh. Okay, he wants to go down, but so he wants to go down. Okay, let's go down. You guys having a good day? You guys know each other in the building? Oh, we gotta go up. Is this your stop, miss?
Oh, you smell like shaving cream.
What about you, sir?
Frick up, little boy.
All right, floor number 3. Here you go. Good time, everybody. Good times. Get off as you please. Yep. See you, Dave. I'll see you soon, man. Oh, he forgot something. Well, man. Oh, I think that's his brother. He's got Dave and we got Rave.
What's up, man?
Gosh, bro, we got this Resident Evil elevator, bro. I think they forgot to put the walls on this thing. We got arrow point to the buttons. Alright, we're on floor number 4. You have a good day, man. We're on floor number 4. Alright, yeah. Alright, we gotta, okay, now I gotta go up. Gosh, man, I think I could be a really good elevator operator. How much do these guys make a year? Floor 5. Ooh, spa cool. What's up, Jenny?
Like, I'm not doing that.
Oh, okay. Man, Deb didn't want to get on the elevator. Oh, okay, hold on. Hey, before I go to the downstairs floor, but I need to get on.
Press the button, old man.
Floor number 6. I wonder how high the floors will go. Do they got the infamous floor 13? Probably not. Floor 6. Hopefully nobody has a pound of bricks. Yo. That floor's all yours, bro. It's all yours. I'm not coming back. But she's looking at me. But she's like, get the frick off my floor right now, bro. Little evil little girl. She's a foot tall, bro. I could use my other leg. I'd kick her. Yeah. Oh! Oh. Hi. Do you want to get on the elevator? Do you need to go somewhere? I think your sister's down 1 floor. Was that a come here or was that just a wave? Hey, man. You take it easy, Daisy. I'll see you soon, Daisy. Perfect. Oh, that sounds like she... Bro, who the oh my gosh, bro. Richard, you would not believe what just happened, Richard. You know Daisy? Do you know the Daisy twins? The Daisy twins just said hello to me, Richard.
Dude, it's Bob.
Oh, sorry, Bob. Oh man, I hope we don't see Jeremiah.
Bicycle.
Oh. Alright, so I'll see you, bro. Why does everybody walk like they got a turd on their butt, bro? I don't like that, man. Ew, dude. Why's freaking around walking like this? Ugh. Get out here with that, bro. Get out here. Get out of here. I think something messed up with my headphones. I know. They just like don't sound right anymore. Floor number 10. Let's go. Double digits. Y'all remember when you guys turned 10? Somebody that turned 10 today? Yeah. 11. We're skipping 10. Mandem's going up, bro. Never going back down. 12. Oh. What's up, everybody? Oh. Okay, I think they're still working on this floor. They're still working on this floor. They're still working on this floor. Everybody gotta get on? Hey! I'll be here all day. Everybody gotta get on? Alright. Guess not. That's alright. Hey. Open go, down. Oh, I see 2 controls. Oh, I totally just read that at the beginning. I thought, see, bro, what? Okay. Who the frick puts the button to only go up and down? It's open and closed door? Frick out, bro. What is that shadow? What is that shadow? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're not alone in this elevator. FNAF, but you're not alone in the elevator?
Wait, it's not even FNAF.
Back down to 1? Uh-oh. Basement level 2? Oh. It's like the backrooms version of floor 1. Hey! Anybody? Okay. See, I'm not gonna idle whenever it tells me to press the button. Oh my gosh, we keep going down. What do we gotta go down now? Oh, okay. Why did it say down arrow and I went up a floor? Oh, shoot. Wake up. Oh! Oh! Somebody help that guy. Somebody help that guy. Alright, let's keep going. That's behind me, bro. Is my injury that bad I can't turn around? When your boy's bored, so we start singing. -4. -5. How low will we go? Bro, stop the singing, bro. Stop the singing, bro. Bro, stop the singing, bro. She's like altering the formants in her voice, going like super, super low. Oh my gosh, we're going deep. We already. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Close it. Close it. I know that thing's gonna turn. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am. Okay. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are we going up? Are we going up? Fart. Fart money, bro. Oh my gosh, we're going down to the core. Like I said before. Gosh, what is this gonna have in store? Is that person still chilling on the elevator? I got food and drink if you need it. 50! Stop! Stop now! Stop! They don't have the emergency button. Crap, bro. Mandem taking me ultra deep in it. Come on, bro! Uh-oh. Wonder what number that means. This must be an illusion. They're having a conversation down there. Is that like where the Illuminati meets up? When your boys want to have fun? We're going down beyond the questionable floor. 89? 90. Aside from the occasional scares, the job isn't even that bad. 91, what do I get paid now? Like $5 an hour? Hey bro, I'm sitting, I'm chilling. 92. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What the frick is that, bro? Let's go. Spider Marcy was like, hey, what's up? Spider Marcy wanted to get on the elevator. I can't believe nobody wants to go to the top floors, bro. That lobby has to be stacked. Hotel, but it's in reverse. Gosh. Got all the rooms going on the underground. Wonder what they got at room 100. Duke Dennis in the snack rooms. Go beyond floor 50, get a 500 score. Oh my gosh. Triple digis. Unbelievable. What's up? The factory. This is where they're all being made, bro. This one looking at me.
What's up, man? Nothing.
Hey! I know you. Bro, they got like Resident Evil aliens, bro. Go, bro, go. Wait, maybe he needs to use the elevator. Are you? Ew, it has like a face on it! Hey, where you gotta go?
How about you take me to that lobby, big boy?
Oh, okay. Hey, I got you, I got you.
Thanks, man.
How's life down here? I mean, dude, it's gotta be hot, bro. It's gotta be wicked hot down here. We're going up.
Hey, whoa, why's the elevator going down? Hey,
I thought you said you needed to go up.
I know what I said, dingus.
Oh my gosh, the elevator doesn't work.
Are you serious?
What's wrong with you, man?
What's
Come on.
What's wrong with me?
Yo, we're going like a little deep, bro.
No, bro, we're not skipping past that, bro.
I like start to feel the pressure.
No. Say what you said again. Say what you
Like
said.
going underwater.
No, don't change the subject.
Hey, you said we need to go to room like 200?
I said the lobby. No, bro, you're gonna take me right the frick off, bro. You're gonna take me right the
Yo.
frick off, bro. Matter of fact, let me off right now. Matter of fact,
Hey.
let me off. I just can't stay another second.
Is this where you're...
Goodness, man. Oh my gosh, bro.
Oh, it... Ah, okay. I think he has a friend down here. He definitely has a friend down there. Richard meets Ross. What's up, bro? He's like getting his boy, bringing him back on the elevator. Okay, yeah, I was about to say. I say, when you gotta get your friend, put him back on the elevator. Or surely we're going up. Surely we're going up. This is horrible. This is horrible. I'm gonna hit like floor 1000. Suddenly it's gonna be like 420 degrees Fahrenheit. Big F. 626. I already know what floor they're gonna take me to now, bro. Bro. Things coming to life, it just knows I'm... Oh, I just hit my head on the back of this freaking ticking me off. What floor?
Ew, who the frick is this new guy? He smells.
Alright. No, seriously, what floor?
Say 62, please.
Okay. Wait, is that the positive or negative version? You frickin'. Hey, one person on the... Daisy! She stole my soul. Oh! My leg's good now! Nice! Nice! Frickin' peak, bro. Thanks for playing the whole entire game. No problem. You know what, that game's actually getting a wish list for me. Alrighty, I mean, that's it. Well, shoot, man, that's my first, like, bro, I haven't had a recording that short in freaking forever. Alrighty, guys, well, if you did enjoy that shorter video, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. I probably will be turning that game. That game is actually pretty freaking good. If you have any other shorter horror games that would make my move a little bit easier and I don't have to, like, make, like, an hour and 50-minute long video, just let me know, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to comment your favorite time skip, and I'll see you guys next time. Au revoir, my friends. Peace. Where's my sound at, bro? Now, fellas, a recent favorite series of mine on this channel has been one under the name of White Knuckle. And if you haven't seen the previous, I think, 3 videos it is, I heavily recommend you watch it before going to this video because, well, today, fellas, today is the finale. Howdy, fellas, my name is Searfest. Welcome back to White Knuckle. Now, if you had seen the most recent video on this game, I passed the abyss and I got to something called the nest. But when I reached the nest, the screen went black and I wasn't able to see anything. Now, after I ended that recording, I said, oh, shoot, that means there's an update coming soon. I didn't know it was this soon. So let's not waste any more time. Let's conquer the nest. And clearly, before I start, yes, I'll be making another Ultra Kill video. I cannot thank you guys enough for the kind reception on that video. Yes, I saw y'all's comments about learning how to parry. I will do that. But I just want to say thank you guys. I was like, that was kind of a video for me. I was unsure how it was going to do for you guys and all that. But so where I stepped out of the nest, and I'm just so thankful for the reception on that video. I will be coming out with another part soon. Probably a pretty long part. So if you enjoyed in the first episode, you'll probably enjoy the second episode. That's coming ASAP. But let's get to the game. Now, I may be a little bit rusty. You know what? Frick that. Hold on. Go back cosmetics real quick. Let me get a little nice. See, I didn't even know I got these. These are stinking tough, bro. All right, we're hashtag, so let's get back in it. Do I have to play the entire game again to get to the end again? Don't tell me, bro. I have to beat the whole game again? Oh my. All right, I did a little playing off camera. I'm like virtually the best ever to ever touch this game, right? Okay, goodness. Why are my hands shaking? What the frick am I playing right now? No. Okay. Yeah, frick that. I'm not doing the hunger beat. I was about to be like, yo.
What is that, bro?
All right, nothing crazy. Let me just beat the whole game real quick. Yeah, let me just get back to the abyss area. It's the hands. All right, no, it's not even bad. I'll just beat 3 videos worth of a game just immediately. It's like honestly, like if I ever get to talk to the developer, I did not want a load chapter button so I can press the bin and then get to the nest. Like I didn't want that. I didn't want it, and because I truly did want to play the whole game again, like The game is just so much fun. There's just legitimately, this game is just that good. I just want to play the whole thing again. I'm gonna skip through most. This won't be bad at all, because legitimately I would like play this game for fun while like in VC with my boys, so I'm like really good and stuff now, so it's like chill. What the frick is that doing here? Alright, now this is going to be incredibly easy. If I end up getting, oh gosh, what was the frickin' thing I ended up getting? Was it like low gravity? I forgot the perk it was called when I got to the plate. Let me just, hold on, let me just like not die real quick. He's just sucking on me. Frick out, lad. I totally forgot the name of that perk, but it was like I could jump super far and stuff. Oh, it was so good. I just remember it was so frickin' good. Oh, I will say like the... Oh my gosh, that's what's called frickin' rabbit DNA, bro. If I get rabbit DNA, it's nothing. Y'all will literally blink. IRL time. Mark my words. Y'all will blink and I'll be at that last level, bro. Alright, so I got like 3 chances to get rabbit DNA. I just need to get it once. Okay, so it's a dud on the first one. Not good. Okay. Pray for the reroll. Okay, this one's like pretty good. So off camera, I will play the endless modes, right? Where you can start like stacking upgrades. It's so much freaking fun. And that one, the ligament restructure, oh boy. Like, look at this. I'm just like hitting my, ow. I'm like hitting my head into the ceiling every time I stink and jump. That one's good. If I do that paired with the rabbit DNA, it'll be like... Alright, now my main goal is I just can't die right here because I'll just like... Yeah, okay, gosh, crazy to me how I was just like how bad I was when I first like went to the pipeworks. Hold on. Yo! Oh! What is that, bro? It scared the crap out of me. Oh, he's bumping me. Hold on, let's like look. Just a little bit close. I'll say it's crazy how bad I was when I first. Yo! What? It's just like spawned in. It's crazy how bad I was when I first frickin' started. It's crazy how easy this game like became after just like a little bit of practice. What? Yo, what's going on? But then again, I did see like YouTube videos. You can get so gosh darn good at this, bro. People have beat this main campaign in like 5 minutes. I don't know if that's with like planned upgrades or not. I don't even think it is. It's like you get lucky too. Frickin' wicked, bro. See, I'm on pace, I think, for 4 minutes right now, so I'm, like, doing pretty good. Alright, here's our second chance to get that rabbit DNA. Also, I should probably make... Oh, I forgot. Like, I need to make, like, save points and crap. I'd much rather get rabbit DNA, though. Please, please, please. Gosh, that sucks.
Employee daycare is assumed to be in the periphery instance and will be shot on sight.
Yo, what did she just say? Bro, that's crazy. I never did she even say that voice line the first time? What are they talking about? Sweet, okay, I'm already back here. Okay, oh, yeah. Good freaking gracious, bro. Alright, I'll take it. Now, okay, which artifact do I get? A sword? Oh, and then that's like the little crate your own handhold. What the frick is this? Please tell me this provides me a like movement advantage. Okay, all right, I can deal with that. I can deal with that. This is the final chance to get the rabbit DNA. If I get the rabbit DNA, oh, sorry everybody. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, all right, let's load up the disc, get a little save. Magical backup. Oh, please. Please, I just need that rabbit DNA. Rabbit DNA is all I need. Come on, bruv. All right. Lock in your answers, lock in your answers. Wait. Wait, no upgrade station? Hey. Wait, let me just get this one instead. I'm a freaking idiot. So wait, there's no upgrade station here. Wait, was there one last time? I don't know. I think it's just the save. Dang, I was looking forward to that rabbit DNA. Okay, hold on. Let's understand how this little guy works real quick. So is it a dash forward? No. Is it when I move? No. What does it do? That's the weakest thing ever. I moved forward an inch. No. Certainly not. Hold on, bro. Let me get a little testy. Bro, this thing straight up sucks wiener. Bro, come on, bro. I would have taken the spear over this, bro. The one you want to get, oh, there's one you could get. It's the glove. Bro, so when I was doing my little endless runs, right? You wear this glove, bro. It's like MJ, bro. MJ glove. You like go, and it makes your junk like low gravity, like 50% gravity for like 90 seconds. It's freaking wicked. Bro, I surely have to be using this wrong. Bro, I might look up the wiki to see how this thing uses. Bro, this thing is a sack of horse manure, bro. I'm not gonna let the run end because I didn't know what I was doing. I'm pulling up the gosh darn wiki. The developer was like, yeah, let's add like a sword in the game.
This guy is 16.
What have that video pulled up?
White knuckle artifacts.
This thing's called the Rapier? Wait a stinking minute! I knew I was using it wrong! Oh! Proper man, proper technique. So I just need to hit a little like... Okay, don't do that. Alright, that's the method. That's how I'm gonna get around. Let's go, baby, come on! We record for 43 minutes. This is what dreams are made of. Now, it's kind of a little bit unfortunate because I don't have it like with the other ones. I can like, the fact that I have a big jump also helps, but this one, it doesn't really. Okay, wait. Let's test it out. Let's test it out. Does that work midair? Oh, it does. Oh, genius. Yeah, it runs over. But it's like not that much, but I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay, yeah, wait, it's kind of nice. It's kind of nice. I kind of like it. Oh, I just aim it up and I just glide for eternity. Oh, I can do it multiple times. Yep. Oh, yep. Big ups on the man, Dev. Big. Oh, let's go, bro. This is a great addition. Oh. Okay, alright. Okay, I got it. Alright, note taken. Do not do it when you're close to a object. You're gonna like bounce back. Gosh. Alright, you know what they say when they try to teach somebody something new, it takes a minute because there's something called learning. Oh my gosh, and I lost on my little busters. Fart, man. Yeah, the rappel is kind of nice. The rappel's kind of swaggy. Sometimes I'll wear jeans, but they usually aren't baggy. There's probably somebody out there watching my video right now. What's up, Maggie? Oh my gosh, okay, it's like kind of weak. Oh, it's on like cooldown mode. Okay, oh, don't do that, bro. Don't do that. All right, I'll put you back for a second, little buddy. Rest up. All right, are you awake and ready for me? Yes. Okay, so I just gotta use it. What the frick is this? I don't remember seeing Pipeworks in the Abyss. All right, when does man start chasing me? Oh, there he is. Okay, started staring me down. All right, see, the key to the Abyss is just to have height. If you have height, you can fall and land somewhere. Top 10 strats ever discovered, bro. Bro, it's crazy how I'm kind of just like running through this now. Like my first time playing this, I was scared as a mouse up in the house, bro. I did not want to fall. I don't now, but like I'm way less scared. Yo! All right, okay, I gotta like time it a little bit better. Oh, what is this change they made? You gotta like climb a ladder now? Frick, no. All right, let's put it away. All right, I'll take that. Whoa! Let's go. All right, this is where it gets dicey. This is where the game's either gonna frick you or have fun times. Woo! Jump on that one. Run. What the frick? This is new. Alright, here we go. Escape, little one. Here we are, the nest. Alright, here's where the video really starts, everybody. Alright, door's closed. Okay. Gosh, it's no coincidence that I have to get pee really bad right now. Oh, gosh, I'm very surprised I was able to do that. Let's get some freaking applause. Woo! Did that casually, man. Come on. All right, what do we got here? Please tell me it's a say. Plead for your help? What? What's going on? Oh. Bah. All right, let's crank this sucker open. Is it locked? Don't come down on me now. All right, cool. When the place has a save zone and an upgrade zone. All right, this is where we're getting rabbit DNA. 2x, cost 8. You already got that in the bank. Let's go, put that in there. Create a save real quick. Upgrades. Let's freaking go, man. That's what I'm talking about. Peak stuff, bro. Let's go, boy. All right. Where are we going? What are we doing? How's everybody doing? All right, we're good. Open it up. Elevator. Oh, no, you didn't. Inventory upgrade pouch. Adds a pouch to your inventory where you can stack up to 5 of the same... I have to contain it right now, everybody. I have to contain it. I do. Yeah. Okay, don't waste the ammo, Max. Don't waste the ammo. Okay, what do I gotta do? What do I gotta get? Let me shoot the coils. Yeah. They gave me a frickin' gun. Oh my gosh, here's where it gets good. Alright, where do we gotta go?
Offline. Eraser. Failsafe.
Nuclear failsafe.
Exotic weapons. Offline.
Don't touch that.
Offline.
I'm scared to touch these new things because they hurt. What the frick is that, bro? That was extremely lucky. Alright, bro, I'm actually just gonna... It's just wraps. Oh! Why, thank you. Thank you so much. So, okay. If I hit the little flower, it creates a little path. Bro, stinking W edition, bro. Let's go. Press it. It's getting so serious now. Oh, I don't need... Ah, shoot, I forgot the light bulb. Sorry, guys, you can't see. Not much time. The consumer is here.
The consumer?
That is the coolest mechanic ever, bro. And I can just ride it. Oh, I can just ride it. Alright, not much time, though. I do gotta be quick. I'm not gonna just be sitting around doing jack all. Hold on. Fart. Okay. That just doesn't work. That is the sorriest death in all of White Knuckle, bro. Oh my gosh. I forgot I have rabbit DNA. Oh my gosh, I'm such an idiot. I keep forgetting I have rabbit DNA, Max. You have rabbit DNA. Come on. We're just gonna ride him up. Let's just ride him up. Where you going, bro? Oh shoot, hold on. Come to me, quickly. Hold on, I have like little guys that want to say hi to me. 1 second, hold on, little man wants to say hi. Say hi to me quickly? Hi. It's supposed to be literal. Okay, we're up. Alright, we're back in the vents. I didn't think we'd be back in here. Let me turn like the brightness up. Where am I going? I just can't see anything. That's my bad, you guys. I should have grabbed that flashlight. It comes to release me. Oh shoot, that's a dude. And he has exactly what I need. Alright, we gotta open this big old door. Hold on. Yo. Release me. End pact. What the frick is that? Don't get close. Oh my gosh. I was supposed to be talking in a crazy voice the whole time. Release me. Okay. Alright, let's do it then. Must hurry. How much? Go quick. They walk now. Oh my gosh. Where are these taking me? Are these taking me the other ones? Thank you, bro. Let's go quick. Go quick. Let's go. Come on. Bang. Freedom. So that thing's just loose now? Alright, you're gonna spare me, right? Yo, what's happening? What's happening? Where's it taking me? Oh. Am I good now? Dude, it's like something was dragging me, bro. I don't remember the hand? Remember the hand? The hand incident. Ah! What is going on? What is going on? Move. I don't want to die. Why? I think that's my last... Bro, it's just dragging me down. I can't move. Oh my gosh. Alright, when bro wants to have a conversation, protection offered. Thank you. Protection offered. Thank you. I can hold it at bay for now. Thank you. The Eater of Worlds. I met that guy. Must kill it. Yup. You're on the right track with that one. Yup. Climb, child. Time slipping. Don't have to tell me twice where we're going. Alright, do I just go up? Let's go up. I'm the biggest idiot known to man, bro. What the frick am I doing? Question is, where do I gotta climb to? Where do I gotta go? Is there like an entrance somewhere? The whole game's about like going up. I'm assuming it's up there, right? Yup, there we go. Where do I gotta go? Is it like down? Am I supposed to go back? Wait, no, wait, was this not the way I came? What's up, little dudes? Oh, this is where I'm supposed to go. Okay. Oh, shoot. Here we go. Back in it. Hold on. Nest. Infested labs. Oh, boy. The music. Okay, wait. This is freaking sick. Okay, nice. Oh, this is so dope. Oh my gosh, huge props to the devs. This is phenomenal. I'm like making all this like spit in my mouth. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. Oh, what the frick is that? Come down, little buddies. Yup. Oh my gosh, get out. I didn't know that it did that. Oh, I got a gun. I just totally forgot. Yeah. Alright, white knuckle the FPS. Okay, now this is really like an action climber now. Now I gotta like focus on climbing while like shooting all these dudes. Like, oh yeah, it's like nice little pro. Hold up. Sorry if I like don't commentate on like hashtag focused. Hold on, but it's like hashtag easy. Oh boy. Hold on. Gotta collect all little Joshes. Sorry, Josh. Bro. Oh my gosh. Alright, it's probably just safer to just kill him as soon as I can. Please tell me I don't gotta like do this whole frickin'... Oh, I really don't want to do this whole thing again. Alright, well I know what I'm getting myself into this time. Now, can I like out-climb these little guys? They're not that quick. Yeah, they're not that... Oh, but they just keep coming, bro. Hold on, you forgot... Y'all forgot I must have played Ultra Kill last video. Okay, yeah, this is the method. Yeah, and then they got ammo. Oh, they do got ammo for me. Genius. Genius. Frickin' go. Oh yeah, these have explosives. I don't think I ever encountered one of these in my playthrough. Alright, I just need to find something to explode to show you how this works. Hold on. Bring out the funny monies. Gosh, that's such a cool mechanic. Sorry. Where does that one take me? We're gonna find out. Let's go. Gosh, such a cool... I love that it just keeps on adding stuff. I just couldn't think they add, but they add it, and then now it's like fun and stuff. Oh, this is freaking sick, man. Yo, what the frick was that, bro? It had like an 8-bit mouth. Let me steal y'all's let me steal the mags real quick. Okay, now I'm assuming this is just the sweet and like I'm assuming this is like the cupcake and muffins part.
Leaving protection, slippery beast. Be alert.
Whoa, what? Oh yeah, dude, I predicted it. Climb, little one. Escape. Let's go. Let's go. I don't want to know what's coming my way. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Freaking sick. Freaking sick. Alright. Oh my gosh, there's homie trying to break down the door. Broski! Oh, those are like little guys that attach onto me like leeches. I see. Alright, he's still trying to break the door. Alright, come on. Let's go. Gosh darn it, of course, bro. Nice. Thank you, buddy. Oh, it's sick, man. This is sick. Alright. Oh, I forgot, like, the drill guy. Okay, shoot. Store that. Let's go. I'm hyped. Come on, I can do this. I got like 1 life before I think I teleport back. So, I gotta use this wisely. Is that not the Half-Life logo? The Half-Life logo? Yeah, blow that up. Blow it up. Genius. What the frick was that, bro? It's like moving fast as a fork. I'm going, bro. I'm out, bro. You're never gonna see my face ever again. Yeah, close it. Okay. Let's go. Like I said, yo boy, let's forget I played Ultra Kill, boy. Oh, this is just the freaking best environment ever. Oh, I just can't get up there though. Yeah. Yup. Beat me up. Yeah. I gotta say this thing comes in handy. It'll come in handy. Trust. This is sick. All right, let's do this right now. What's up, buddy? Bye, buddy. You boys, what's up? Okay, that's fine. Oh, lever. Genius. Come on. Gosh, this is like level 1, but the stakes are like 1,000,000 times higher. Oh, that's crazy. Gotta hit 2 of them. Okay, a little double shot. All right. I'm with it, bruv. How much more of this I gotta do, bro? This is like 2 of what the first worlds are. Oh, crap. That's not good at all. Bro. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Yes, close the door, close the door. Nice, come on, boy. I was freaking made for this, y'all. One try, Terry. My name's... I'm in very close vicinity to the man right there.
Emergency. Pseudo-neurons entering a highly active state. Due to solar toxicity.
What is she saying? I entered a state?
This system is
What is she talking about? I can't understand. It said I am I. Oh! What the frick is that, bro? Okay, this is just hashtag ridiculous, bro. This is hashtag ridiculous. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. Bro, ew, dude, ew. Okay, alright. My gosh, like, freaking overload, bro. Okay, let's use these. Let's kill the guys. Because I don't want to deal with them right now. Good with that. Alright, now I can climb them. Sweet. Alright. All you gotta do is not panic. All you gotta... Oh, I just can't grab there. Alright, I gotta remember... Oh. Okay, just don't panic. Just don't panic. Alright, that's fine. I didn't want it anyway. Okay, alright. What the frick? That, like, wall. Thank goodness I can grab that. Oh my gosh. Alright, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go! Big freaking thinking, bro! Alright, where am I going? Where am I going? Rabbit DNA! Hashtag... Get farted on. Take it, I'll take it, I'll take it, I'll take it. Let's go. It's raining! Raining? Why is it raining? That means there's sky. That means there's a sky. I'm just ascending and I don't know how. I'm just going up and I don't know why. Let's frickin' go, man. Hashtag problem solver in the house, bro. Let's go. Almost 5k meters. Alright, stinky zone. We're in the stinky zone. Beware. Hold on. Friends are here. Almost fell through. Frick off, bro! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Not good at all. I don't know what the frick that is, bro. Bad time to do that. Okay. Gosh, I just like can't even look around and enjoy it. I just gotta... Let's go, let's go. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap, no way I just did that.
Purge of meta-computational binding fluid.
Go! What would...
It is now in full control of this system.
Oh crap, dude.
Identified human. Warning. We, I, they, it, he, she, stars.
Is my games... That's it! That's it! Let's go, bro! 5,300,604, baby. And I beat like the whole game like again. Wow. Wow. That's it. What a way to end it. I thought it was gonna be some grand opening. Okay, to be quite honest, you know what I thought I was gonna do? I was gonna get to the top of the nest, and there's gonna be a little button that glows red that says, kill everybody, big world's largest nuke. Why am I getting score-mogged right now? Let's go, man. That's not the end. Touche. Touche. That's not the end. There was the nest and now there's the core. Okay, what cosmetic did I get? What cosmetic did I get? Did I get like a hashtag stinking cool one? Ew! Oh! No, I gotta give these a test run. This is the coolest cosmetic in any game ever. Bro, that's freaking sick. That's so cool. I gotta use it right now. Oh, bro, look at these. Nah, these are sick. Oh my gosh, I just found it. Oh my gosh, the deep sea blue on some Subnautica movement, bro. Come on, bro. These are the coolest freaking thing ever, bro. Sorry, Jacob, I'm stealing your blue right now. These are freaking sick. Ready, I'm gonna snipe him. Alrighty, y'all. Well, that will conclude my playthrough. Oh my gosh. Alright, y'all, that is another addition onto my White Knuckles series. I hope you guys enjoyed the nest. I'm thoroughly surprised. One, new freaking level comes soon. Number two, that just whole level was amazing. You got the shoot for the Vibra case. I just can't wait to see what's gonna be added. It's gonna be so freaking dope. Plus this cosmetic, no, actually, like, I'm not even kidding you. This might be one of the greatest, like, cosmetic items of all time. This is just the coolest thing of all time. All right, now I'll let you go ahead, copy the settings. I already know. I got the best one out there. I don't know. And then you can just like make it whatever color you want. Oh, like the red was the red was crazy. The red is freaking nuts. See, but then the red's cool, but then you can't tell when you can't tell. Oh, maybe it gets like darker as like your stamina goes out. Yeah, I think that's what that is. The red's kind of cool. I might rock the red. I don't know. But I do hope you guys enjoyed that episode. That went by pretty fast. And I just want to take a second to thank you guys for all the support on the Ultra Kill video. Now, to be honest with you guys, I didn't think that video was going to do that well. I know there's a huge fan base behind Ultra Kill, but for stepping so far out of like my nest like that, it's just, I'm so thankful for you guys. I'm so glad you guys enjoyed that because I really do want to play more of that game. So you guys will be seeing more Ultra Kill. But seriously, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. And I'll probably be playing Ultra Kill. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Au revoir, my friends. Peace. So this dude's behind you to slow him down. So you can be. I'm glitched! I'm glitched! Ah! Oh god, oh shit. Hello everybody, my name is Thriftfest. Welcome to The Well Is Not Empty. As I was scrolling, as I normally do from time to time, I saw a little teaser trailer for this game. This game has such an interesting premise, bro. You get a spoon and you have to dig, and I think it's like if you don't dig, or like if you have a light or something, this little guy starts freaking chasing you, bro. This game just looked fun, bro. Let's press play. Adjust brightness until you can realize what happens at the end of the day. What? You can no longer see the back wall and barely see the friendly man in the corner? Oh! Dude, he looks like a piece of cardboard. Me personally, I'm turning this sucker up, bro. I'm tired of games being too dark where you just can't see absolutely anything. I'm turning this guy up. The village well has gone dry. We have about 3 days of water left. You have been elected by the village to fix it. To enter the well, press E. Okay, and E for enter, bro. I entered it. Oh, and I just decided to fall? Oh! I'm good though, I get up. Let's go, get up, get up. Big man timing, bro. Big man timing. Shoot, brav. This must be like my brother or something, bro. Yo! Gosh, he missed the lake, bro. Water bucket clutch fail, bro. Wait, no, he got the water bucket clutch. He's still dead. I guess I'm just built different, man. To open your inventory, press tab. Items. Nothing. Notes. Nothing. Can I write in my notes? No. What is this right here? Oh my gosh, here we go, bro. You picked up a perfectly clean spoon. Hello? Is someone there? Hi, bro. Wait, he's like actually coughing in the game. Do I need to do voice lines? Oh, no, okay.
Where the frick did you come from? I need you to help me. I can get us both out of here. Listen to me. The key to open this gate is somewhere inside this facility. You need to find it.
I would have never guessed.
Look for a way out of this room and get to the foreman's office. He should be waiting there with his key. Please be careful. We're not alone in this place.
Yeah, bro, I'm in here. It's like me and you, bro.
What's up, man?
Alright. It's locked. I need to find a key. When your boy picks up a spoon, but it's not a key. Wait a stinking minute. Wait a stinking minute. Equip. Here we go. Get the digging, boy. Get the digging. How do I get through? How do I get through? There we go. That's how. Who's like banging around in here? There's like a big guy in here, bro. I need a flashlight. Yo. That little guy is fast, bro. What's with the fast enemies recently, bro? First, like all the T-Jot characters. Oh my gosh, bro. Tiny Ricky, man. Rest in peace, man. What the frick am I doing? Pick it up. Hello, 3FS. I love you. Okay. There are no words to express what I just saw. Literally, bro. Read in my mind. Rip the words right out of my head. They're all gone. Rip to shred. And they have 5 more days down here, and I would go home. To whoever read this. Say more?
Who names a dog Seymour?
I'm gonna give him a sick name. My dog Spalding is waiting for me.
What's up, man?
Please make sure he's okay. I left some treats in my locker. Give some to him. All right, bro. You got it, bro. As soon as he's talking about a dog, bro, I got you, bro. I can hear someone approaching. Axel. Rest in peace, Axel. Oh, wait. It's not Tiny Ricky. It's Axel. Axel, bro. Long time no see, bro. Dude, is he gleeking? What is he doing over there, bro? Getting all freaky? You can find notes you picked up. I would have never guessed. No, this is Ricky. This is Tiny Ricky. Ew! Ew! Get away from Rick. Turn to a memory over here, bro. They call me the memory maker. Ooh. Okay, chill out, Max. Chill out, Max. It's alive. What is he doing to him, bro? He's giving him shots! Bro, chill! He turned Simon to lasagna, bro. Dude, he's smacking him around! That's ridiculous, bro. On the ground, just giving like a little... Bro, chill on him, bro. Dude, he's tearing his organs out. Oh! You picked up a man's heart. No, that's Simon's heart, bro. Rest in peace, little Simon, bro. Little Simon. Where did he go? He ran off. That guy's fast, bro. I'm not outrunning him. Oh, okay, the game's telling me I can run now. Let's go, bro. Lift it up. Let's just go, bro. I don't want to deal with this. Gosh, my sensitivity is in the frickin' stratosphere, bro. We're able to do 1 360 on my desk. Yikes, bro. Alright, okay, wait. Which way do I go? Do I dig through here or do I go through here? I'm gonna go through here. Back to the frick up. Back to frick up right now. Okay, let's dig. I'm not going in there. Let's go. I can hear them in the walls. They're gonna be here any second. My prayers have been answered. I was right all along. Okay, wait. I can't... Tweaky Weeky's over there, bro. What am I gonna call him, man? I'm gonna give him a name. I'll call him Phineas. Phineas the freak out. Oh. Hey, Finny. Hey, buddy. Dude, he's trotting around in there just itching to eat somebody. Not gonna eat me. I don't even taste that good, bro. Okay, wait. Maybe he is satiated when the lights are on. So when the lights go off, he's like, alright, Phineas frickin' activate freak mode. Oh my gosh, I just can't read it all. To use the machine, hold E. Oh, it's talking about this machine? Hold on. Finny does hate the freaking lights. Get waddled on, nerd. I'm going, bro. Oh my gosh. Ah! What is he doing? Bro. Wind it up again. Alright, there's gonna be a key in there, so he gets soft locked to the right side. I'm gonna find the stinking key. Key, activate. The whole game is broken, bro. Of course it's this one. Oh my gosh, Phineas, please calm down. Let's go. I'm through. Triple 4, bingo! Yeah, okay. Alright, let me guess. Let me take a guess. Okay, I'm good to go. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna start digging through the thing. I'm gonna somehow cut a power wire. Whole place is gonna go dark. Then this is when he's like, okay. Beast mode. Activated. Let's go. Alright, dig through here, little sucker. Nobody's got spoon work like me, man. Find one person that uses a spoon like this. Oh, I thought that was like a part of a body. I think that's a rock. What do we got? Another dead guy. Gosh, bro, is this Robbie and Trey? Oh my gosh, Robbie, Trey, and Bernie. Robbie, Trey, and Bernie. How many people have the village sent down here, dude? They even had photo evidence. If you're reading this, I assume it's much too late. Me and my 2 others have hidden into one of the tunnels. Or was it one of ours? I can't tell the difference anymore. They came out of nowhere. They? 1 second, we're working the next total bloodbath. I managed to capture one of those demons in a photograph. Maybe it'll be of use to someone up above when they write the books about us. Bro thinks of writing books about him. Bold guy. Hey, here lies Brian. Oh no, I got confused, bro. It's Brian, Julian, and Daniel. What? We're sorry we can't make it home. Man, they probably all had loving families. Daniel was like going home for like a nice pot of stew. He just got turned into the stew down here, bro. Rest in peace, Big Man Ting, bro. Top lad, bro. Okay, wait, what's down this way? Ow! Get dodged out, little buddies. Man, our village has to be, like, way behind. Because, why? Give me a gun. Oh, no, here's a spoon. What? Oh, this is so much nicer. It's like when I hear the audio, my ears don't, like, bleed. Oh, yes. Oh, wait, the little sparks create light, though. Like, oh, FNAF, but you can make your own light. Wait, this isn't FNAF. What do we got? Game went quiet. It's Phineas? Wait a minute, is it like Resident Evil where like one of the guys down here turned? Oh, he's sniffing. He doesn't even have a nose, he's mouth breathing, L-mewing. What, bruv? He's still over there. Is this a little rat guy? Collectible found Ratman figurine. Can I put it back? Bro, I don't want that. How do I get out of here? Alright, yeah, I know you guys are yelling. I mean, Max Match, just go to the screen. I just want to see if that's what the game wanted me to do. Sometimes these games are just bullcrapping all the time because they're just like, yeah, do this, do that. Okay, okay, everybody, shut the frick up. Shut up. Here's what we're gonna do. I do not know. Alright, now I know when I put this lever in, power's gonna go all the way off. Wrong item, bro. Go. Wait a minute. Phineas, how'd you get over here, Phineas? Okay, hold on. You cycle your items. Why is it telling me that now, bro? Turn on the lights, I'm scared. Where am I going? Where am I going? Okay. So it's just behind you to slow him down. So you can reach. I'm glazed! I'm glazed! Ah! Ah! That's why! Dude, look! He's in straight BS! He's got tuna, what is that, beans? Bro. Okay, wait, let's try that one more time. Gosh, I gotta get ready. He starts chasing me after I get through here. Let's go. Hide from me, young one, hide from me. You don't want to reap the havoc. Let's go. Oh my gosh, bro, dig, bro. Alright, yeah, that's my stamina up there in my lungs. Alright, this way. Go. Ah! Bro, I hate the game! Were the rats eating a key? They got crazy rats, bro. They have like tuned up rats, juggernaut rats. Were they eating the key? Is that what that little shiny stuff was? Crap! Crap! Bro, he keeps screaming, bro. Please close gate behind you. Yes, yes, yes. Bro, there is 2 ripped hands on that handle. Bro, they pushed up the handle, he grabbed him through the gate, tore the whole body out. Get farted on, little buddy. I played these games before. Think I haven't ever been chased before? Phineas Part 2. Hello? Phineas loaded up with some friends. I don't have a handle. Oh, I did. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot, bro. I didn't even see this. Okay, wait. Wind up the crank. Put a bullet in the tank. I'm not in the freaking shank. Alright. Chill out! Yo! Somebody go contain that guy. Bang, bang, bang. Alright, let's go. Where's Phineas? Where's Phineas? Cycle through your... They keep telling me the same advice! Yup. Where's this lead me? Generate light. Can't see anything. Where is this? Wait, is that Big F? Phineas. Oh, okay. He's playing the stinking piano. Ah. The village sent him down here. He got bored. He made a piano and made a little room so he's safe. Hey, man. He did that chase sequence. Is like, I can't do this anymore. I just have to play piano. I see, bro. Hey, you do you, man. Game's going quiet again. Means Phineas is on the horizon. And my spoon work is devilish, bro. It's devilish. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Young man tightrope balance, bro. You guys never seen this before. Oh my. Natural born. Oh. Let's frickin' get it, man. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, Foreman's office. Phineas in there. Shoot, bruv. Yeah. Hold on. F is in here. Turn it on. Let's just get searchy. Let's get searchy right now. What? How did they expect me to do that? Bro, it's killed me. They did a slow-mo. Bro, what the frick? Okay, wait. I gotta remember. Oh my gosh, bro. Game plan. I'm reading the book right down here. Turn on the lights. When he's afraid, go steal it from his head. Okay. Prepare your parlays. Your fest about to eat some stinkage. Oh, there was a typo in the playbook. Oh, okay, sorry, I misread. Excuse me? What am I doing here? I'm leaving that. Is he gonna get distracted by the dead man? Ah! Okay, hold on. Hold on, watch this. Bang, bro, come on! Big man plays, man. Big man ting, man. Big man plays. Look at him. He's so focused on where I left him at, he's still stuck in the past. Stuck in the past, little boy. Can I rip the key from his head right now? No. What if I turn the lights on while he's in the cage? Oh! I see. One light source tweaked out. 2 light source out of the game. Oh, that's oh, my playbook. 3FS is a curious mystery of elite sportsmanship and talent. Very good. Foreman's key, baby. He definitely... Get it, let's go. So I can use this. This project should have been finished weeks ago. The men are starting to get restless. Mark has been missing... Merkert has been missing for at least 4 days now. Why did he go messing around in the tunnels? Is this my fault? What the frig is that guy talking about? What's this little moral they got going on right here? Oh, that's probably Foreman. Gosh, bro, he got turned into a kebab. It's crazy. Alright. What the frick broke back there? What the frick was that? Hello? Oh, I could jump over that. I completely forgot I could jump, bro. I'm an idiot. What are they building all these, the jail cells for? Are these, like, for just crazy people in the village and get, like, break a... Hello? Break a law, get sent to the break a law, get sent to the underground jail? You would not believe what I have in my inventory. Let's go. Oh my gosh, big explosion. Front row seats, bruv. Don't worry, everybody, that was just me. Don't worry.
My goodness, you made it.
Hey, you know me, bro.
Where's the foreman?
Ooh.
What? We need to get out of here immediately. Get that gosh darn gate open now.
What gate is he talking about? Oh, this one. Key. Open it up, open it up. Storage surface, power maintenance. What is that whole thing for? Why do we need to get out of here immediately? Is the foreman gonna, like, amalgamate all little guys and turn to, like, a big foreman boss? Want some Resident Evil crap, bro. Surface. We gotta get to surface. Power maintenance. Is that a button right there? Or is that a radio? Oh! Phineas V2. That was the sickest beat I've heard. It's a boom, 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 boom. That was gonna be a sick drop, bro. That was fire. Thank you so much for playing. I hope you had a blast. Full game will be available soon, and you'll be able to bring water back to your village or die trying. In the meantime, please add the game to Steam wishlist. Hey man, that was a good game. Oh, you just exit the whole entire game when you're done with that. Alrighty, y'all. Well, if you did enjoy that semi-short playthrough of The Well Is Not Empty, you'd like to see me play the full game, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. I want to say thank you guys again for watching. If you did watch this video, if you watched the Resident Evil 7 series, 8 will be coming soon. I don't know necessarily when, but it is definitely coming soon, you guys. But as always, make sure to comment your favorite timestamp. Let me know what you thought of the video down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Au revoir, my friends. Peace. Easy, bruh. Yo! Yo!
What?
Yo! Jacob, kill this guy. He's dodging. He's dodging. Bear trap him. See what's up.
Bear trap him? Gotta hit him with the flank.
Howdy fellas, my name is SteerFest. Welcome back to another video. Now, today, we're playing a game called Shift at Midnight, where you and a buddy have to watch a store and hopefully nothing goes wrong. Now, I mentioned you and a buddy. Wait a minute. Who's my frickin' buddy?
Yo, what's up? It's Jacob. Today, you already know that we're gonna press play. Going into the game and we're gonna stay. Yeah, so why don't you know my name?
Jacob, what the frick was that? Jacob, I ought to give you a swift kick in the neck because of that, bro.
No!
Through the night, you will get customers. You must figure out whether you're not there, whether or not they are doppelgangers. To detect doppelgangers, use the computer. The database always shows correct, verified information. Question customers to determine if they are doppelgangers. Greg Davis. This person has one arm. Now you see my arm actually grew back 2 days ago. What the frick is this? Now you see my arm. Boom! Take him out. Discuss with your friends and decide if you think the customer is a doppelganger. If you suspect the worst, locate a gun beneath the counter and shoot. If you are notified that a doppelganger has left the store, you better board up, lay traps, and hide. Freaking ready for this, Jacob?
Begin! Wait a minute. Wait. Can you change your mic because it sounds like crap? Okay.
I'm a definite Discord. All right, Jacob. Objective head side. You ready?
Yo, why do you run like that?
I didn't even
Wait a minute. Give me a second.
What?
All right, we can't play this game. No emote button. But you know what I can do? I can crouch 1-2, just like this. Crouch 1-2, and I do it like this.
Inside. It's like bread and crap on the floor, bro.
Sail.
Okay.
Do Night of the Consumers multiplayer, bro.
Head to the break room, Jacob. Come on. No
Head to the steak room. All right, let's go.
Yo!
Oh. What the frick?
What the frick happened here, bro? Wait, we got 15 products, Jacob. Got to pick up a box.
Come on, man. Come on.
Jacob, gotta help me stock, bro. We gotta stock up.
Money. All right, let's go.
I'm put this here, this. Who the frick is that, Jacob? Who the frick is that, Jacob? Nobody here yet.
Shelf already full. Wait, Max, all the shelves are already full. Wait, not this one.
Pick a different frickin' shelf, you dingleberry.
Wait. It's telling me to go to your shelf, but
Jacob,
your shelf
these UI noises have me feeling
Okay, I'm keeping this for you. It's there for you.
Thanks, buddy.
Go get all that money.
Box empty. Oh, dude. Jacob, this game is clean as a frick, bro.
Hide and go seek, find me, get a surprise.
Oh, excuse me, bro. Jacob. What happened?
Don't walk into the web.
Why?
Because it turns you.
Jacob, and you started screaming over that crap? Come on, bro.
Okay. So we got Cobra Cola. We got employee to do. How do we open shop?
Right, read the instructions on the notice board. Where's the notice board?
Excellent.
Oh, hold on. Okay. Use the trash bags to throw the limbs. Okay. Mop the blood. Restock. Okay, James. We got.
Well, I need a Cobra Cola. Give me a second.
Yo! Jacob, hold on.
Who the frick is this?
Okay, that's okay. Where's the stinking dumpster, bro? I have nowhere to put this guy.
Why did they add that?
I'm the stinking dumpster, bro. Oh, it's like outside. How do I get outside? What the frick, bro?
Bro, I think the dumpster over here, bro. Look.
No. Oh, yeah. It's right here. Jacob, you got to mop up the blood, bro.
Oh, W, buddy.
Jacob, pick this up right now.
Mop? What?
Pick this up.
Pick what up?
Yo! Now mop this up, bro.
Wait. Mop the blood.
Yes.
Right, where the blood at? Oh.
Right there. No.
Okay.
This right here, bro. Yeah,
dude,
Jacob.
What could have possibly happened in this mysterious store?
Me? Read the instructions on the checkout counter. Okay.
I just threw it.
What do we got to do? All right, I'm not reading all that. There's no time limit to customer interrogation. Scan their ID to open the real person's profile on the computer. Question them about these details. Discuss any suspicions you may have with your coworkers. If you all agree that they are likely a doppelganger, locate the gun and shoot. It's like, tell me what I already know.
Before we open.
Jacob, who the frick is this, Jacob?
Oh, shoot. Oh, okay, I'm coming.
Hold on, dude.
Some goodies in the bathroom, though.
Wait for him to buy stuff, then we gotta check this guy, all right?
Can't let this guy slip up. This is the database.
Can't let this guy slide.
Hold on. Should I look him up?
No, Clyde.
Well now, you must be a new night clerk. Welcome to the graveyard shift, my friend.
What's up, dude?
Hey, Max.
It's probably a little daunting, huh? No worries, let me give you a rundown how it's done. First, scan my ID card on the counter.
Oh, he's giving me IRL tutorial. All right, take that thing, scan it.
No, you do it. I'm looking at the database. Hey, Max, I'm gonna tell you what he is. It says occupation sheriff, often in uniform, usually wears glasses.
Hold on, let me inspect. Let me take a closer look.
Looks about right to me. Looks about right.
Jacob, get your wiener out of his face, bro.
Sorry.
Take a closer look. Usually in uniform, everything's looking good here. Does it look good?
Hold on, let me look at one more thing.
Jacob.
Okay, I think he's good. Scan him in. You go on here and you click one of these, and then it's like, what is it?
Occupation, often in uniform. Where's glasses? Hold on, let me ask him about his glasses.
No, you can ask him from here. You can ask him from here.
Oh. Got him on, don't I?
Yeah,
Oh,
no,
yeah,
he's good. I think he's good. He's
No,
good,
no, wait,
bro.
wait.
Except the transaction with the register. Bang. Bang.
Look at that man walk, bro. Wait, he left without all his freaking stuff.
Oh.
Who do we have here?
Everybody's blue full fit.
I think she's a nurse. She's wearing scrubs. Jacob, chill out. You're making her feel weird and stuff.
All right, bro. What? I gotta go to the bathroom. Okay. You got it, bro.
Okay. Hi, ma'am. Her name is Bonnie. Bonnie! Big B? No, bro. No? Hi there. Long night at the hospital. Jacob, we got a customer. Jacob, shut up. We got a customer. Hi there. Long night at the hospital. Just need to grab a few things at home. All right. Let's get you. Bonnie McCree. That's a sick name, bro. Sounds like an Overwatch character. Bye, Jacob. Occupation nurse. Nurse over at County General. It's been a long night. Okay, you look good. Hold on. Jacob, go ahead. Give it a go ahead. Jacob.
Okay. Yeah, successfully bang. Bag.
No, don't take her out, bro.
Hey,
Yo.
See ya.
What is she in a doppelganger?
See ya. Thank you.
Where's she
Hold on,
even going, bro?
I gotta show these customers what I'm about.
Jacob, this is not Minecraft parkour housings, bro. Who the frick is this?
Oh, wait, shipment. W shipment.
Bro.
Wait. Tap in.
Open that sucker up.
Gotta open it. W's. All right, what we got?
Jacob, my guess is it's a bunch of bacon.
Oh, wait, he's backing in.
Yo,
bear traps.
Yo, he's just going off just like that, bro. Thank you, bro. Phone. Jacob, you're gonna kill somebody.
No. W.
Jacob, you're just gonna kill
call.
an average person, bro.
Answer it.
Jacob, oh shoot, drop it. Hey man, I'm just down the road from your store. My car won't start. I really need a hand getting it running again. Come on, hey, Jacob.
What?
Jacob, you gotta go down the road and help this guy. He needs help with his car.
Oh, okay. I'll go.
All right, Jacob, good luck, bro. Jacob, do you need a bear trap?
No. Close it. Lock it down.
Jacob, there's nothing there. What are you screaming about?
What do you mean there's nothing there? Max, he's out there, bro.
My character says,
gone.
what the frick was that?
Okay.
Hold on, hold on. John just walked in. John just walked in. Hey, man, just grab some stuff real quick. No big deal. Hey.
His hair looks normal.
Jacob, you're threatening the entity. The entity. Back off.
How do you know it's an entity?
Jacob, I don't like the look of this.
What?
Jacob, take a look.
Really?
Take a look. That's some bullcrap.
Let me look.
That's some bullcrap if I've ever seen it.
Wait, is this not? I haven't seen the IDs before.
Holy crap. Yo! Welcome in, ma'am. Pick anything you want. Jacob, we gotta clean up the blood, Jacob. They're gonna think we're murderers, bro. Jacob, go clean up the blood. Jacob, clean up the
freaking blood.
Fast, Jacob, Yeah. Good stuff, Jacob. Quick. Speed up.
Hey there.
Jacob,
Max?
What? She's raising you up, bro.
She said, hey there, cutie.
Jacob, there's somebody outside.
Hey.
There's somebody over there, bro.
You like what you see? Careful, staring too long can make me blush. Okay. Yo.
Jacob! She was... What is wrong with you, bro?
That's my bad. I got too hyped. Bro, she was rizzing me up and I was fiddling with my hands. I pulled out the gun and shot her. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. We gotta clean this up, bro.
You know, Jacob, that's all bro. I already got the body parts, bro. Jacob, they're gonna come to the counter and be like, what's all this blood about? You having a laugh?
That's my bad.
Hey, good evening. Just grabbing a few things. We're heading back on the road. All right, what's up, bro? Kevin Larson. Jacob, check him out. On the computer, check him out. He's like 6'8", bro.
I work in insurance. Claims mostly. It's not exactly exciting, but it pays my bills.
There you go, bro.
Yeah, he does work in insurance, okay. Often inform you later. Dress shirt and a tie, always professional.
Okay.
Wait. Formal wear, yep. Tall, yep. He's looking good. He's looking good,
bro. I got you, bro. Let me bag this up for you right away, sir. Visitor. You have a great day, sir.
There he goes. He's on his way.
Jacob,
Didn't even
Jacob,
take
you
the
see that,
groceries.
Brie?
All right.
We cleaned it up in time. They didn't even know what they saw. No blood on the floor.
I'm gonna get the shelves restocked. With the police force.
It's like Resident Evil, bro. Jacob.
Resident
Jacob.
nice and kind.
Jacob, I'm gonna need you to get a little trappy, okay? I'm gonna need you to get a little trappy. The code word trap, bro. Jacob, I'll handle the
Max.
customers you stock up.
Max, I'm having too much fun right now.
Make it quick. I've got an NET business to deal with. Okay. This dude's signature just sucks. Sorry. Scan successful. What do you got? Occupation, net. Well, the reason those doppelgangers haven't ripped you apart yet, you should be grateful. Hey, bro. Hey. Hold on. Standard issue, you don't need to know more than that. This guy's not telling me. Jacob, chill out, Jacob. This guy's not telling me anything.
He's not?
He's being super. He's gatekeeping
Do you need me
his
to check
info,
him out?
bro.
Do you need me to check him out?
Yeah, go ahead. Come here. Scan him, Jacob. Scan him. Is he good?
Hold on. Let me. He's looking all right.
Okay.
All right, Ryan Holt. You're good.
All right, bro. You have a good day, sir. Your shift is done. Clean up any messes. Headed bus. Jacob, we're done.
Dude, Max.
Okay, Jacob, we gotta leave. We gotta go back to the bus stop. Hold on. Let's put this back in the. Oh shoot. I guess I get to keep this thing. Jacob?
Hello.
Oh, we play a blue bus.
Jacob, chill out. Let's go. Head home.
Let's go.
Perfect execution, man. Come on. End of night report. $30. 85 freaking bucks, bro. Come on.
We didn't kill any humans.
Jacob, you did injure that poor lady.
No.
Okay. Wait.
The lady I shot was a doppelganger. Wait, Max, the one I shot as a bit was correct.
Let's get an applause for that, man. Let's get an applause for that. Next shift, Jacob, let's do this. It's a new night. Check the notice board. Come on, Jacob.
Strat, bro.
What? You said new strat? Let's check the notice board. Let's see what's up.
I know what I'm doing today. Hey!
Pay attention to any info you're given at the start of the day. The midnight news, Joe's Diner burnt down. Locals are shaken. Joe Bart Diner burned down? What? Once beloved Joe's Diner has been burnt down in what appears to be an act of arson yesterday. Jacob?
Again. Yes! Again.
Jacob, you gotta check this board back here, Jacob.
Locals are shaking the ones. Oh, God.
Who do we got? Who's our customer?
Shoot.
What does she want? She wants plants?
Don't
Jacob,
follow
she
her.
wants
That's
plants.
Weird.
Jacob, she wants
Don't follow
plants.
her. That's weird, bro.
No, she wants plants. Jacob, you're scaring the crap out of her, Jacob.
Dude, no, I'm swift with it, bro. Dude, I'm already learning the mechanics, bro. Like,
Jacob, chill out. Just grabbing some supplies for my 30th birthday. Big one, you know? She's spending it alone? Poor lady.
Bro, she is tall.
Kara Hastings. Okay.
Kara Hastings, I'll check her out. All right,
Yeah. Go ahead and give it the rundown.
She's unemployed. Yep. Okay. She did tattoos. Okay. Wait. There's a new tab on the computer.
What?
Max.
Shop? Explosives, Jacob. This is dangerous. Don't give us that, bro.
Wait, Max.
What?
Low key. Should we hit a refresh? Because you can hit two free refreshes in the bottom right.
Yeah. What refresh?
I want something crazy. Wait, check her out first.
Okay.
We don't. She can't be.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry to delay you for your birthday today.
Hold on.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Who the frick is this?
That's not me.
I know, Jacob. What does he freaking do, bro? Kill him, Jacob. Kill him. Clean it up, Jacob. Clean it up.
Max, you go to the register. I got it. Go to the register.
Hello, ma'am. Jacob, this lady's like a zombie. She's been eating like blood burgers. Good evening. Uneventful night, I hope. No, bro. It's been crazy in here, bro. I'm still thinking straight most of the time. All right. Hello, ma'am.
I gotta get the shipment.
Anita Varma. Let's see. Often has bags under your eyes. That checks out. Hair dyed dark red. Oh no, I thought that was like brown. No, she does have dark. Jacob, what
Hello,
the frick
what can I do for you?
Jacob.
Wait, why is she a zombie?
No, I think she's good, bro. And what does she have in her shirt? Hold on.
Did you check the database?
Are you talking about the stain? It's nothing. I just spilled some coffee this morning. That looks like blood, bro. I think she's good though.
I don't know, man. Hold on. I'm gonna restock the shelves. You gotta take care of this one.
Okay. Wait, can I just like look it up? What does that do?
Max, I really want to put down one of these bear traps, bro. Like really bad.
Jacob, we have to wait on that, okay? All right. I think you're good, ma'am. Is she good? Does she like kill us if we're wrong?
I don't know.
It's like, okay. She has no idea where she's going.
Evil.
What's up, dude?
Holy! Hey, do you know where I can get that leave-in conditioner in the purple bottle this late? My wife Bonnie used to use it every morning. I asked her to grab it.
We met Bonnie. Richard McCree. Yeah, wait. We met this guy's wife.
I don't know. He's asking where we can get the conditioner. I don't know if we have it.
That's a good question. I don't know if we have it either.
No condition. Okay. No, he's looking the wrong way, bro. Sir, turn around. Bro, this dude has jack squat, bro. What about clothes?
Wait, hold on.
Long day at work. He's avoiding my questions, bro. This guy, I don't know, bro.
Is he Dr. Sus Bolas?
I don't know.
I don't know, Max. I'm
Movements.
jiggle peeking outside, though.
Hey, man, I'm too tired to be at Jacob. He's dodging, bro. Hold on. Limbs. Jacob, kill this guy. He's dodging.
He's dodging?
Bear trap him. See what's up.
Bear trap him?
Tell him the story. That everyone must be told.
Gotta hit him with the flank.
Jacob, he can't see you coming, bro.
Clean it up quick. I gotta close this, by the way. They're gonna get in through the back gate.
Jacob, you left it open the whole time?
Dude, this guy is mustard and ketchup, man, bro.
Jacob, this guy's getting closer, Jacob.
What guy?
Come out here.
Hold on.
This guy's been getting closer ever since the start of the game, dude. Get out here now.
Okay, go talk to the dude then.
Look at that guy out there.
What guy?
At the end of the fence.
Should I kill him?
You can try.
I'm 360.
Good job, Jacob. Good job. He's gone.
No, I don't think that's what we wanted.
What the frick is happening, bro? Hey, man, tired from a long shift at the local diner, probably. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Brandon Keller. Why does this guy look like he's been deep fried in a vat of butter?
We can't keep this door open, Max.
Okay. Ends most sentences with probably. Let's see about that. Got all my parts at the right spots, probably. Checks out. Feels probably a long day, you know. Doesn't check out. Still my uniform, just clocked out a couple hours ago. Pirate hat. Jacob, are you gambling on the spot?
No. I was getting the shipment. He works at Joe's.
Dude, but look. Wait a minute. Jacob, he's an imposter. Jacob, kill him. On this newspaper, it says it was burned down yesterday night. How could he have been in a shift today?
You hear that?
What?
I heard someone go,
I didn't hear crap.
Hello, have you ever heard your middle name?
Jacob, what if our report comes back, we just killed like every human ever?
Max, I heard someone, bro. I swear I heard someone.
You're thinking of stuff, Jacob.
Oh my god, that dude scared me, bro. He spawned in.
Jacob, he's the most normal dude ever, and you're scared of this guy?
Dude, Max, I feel like they're not gonna wait to be crazy till they get to the register one of these times.
Let's see, bro. Let's see. Ricky, how's that gas station grind treating you? Pretty good, bro. I'm out here making moves while you're still stuck in the rat race. All right, dude. Jacob, do you want to kill this guy just cuz? Jacob, no! I was joking. Ricky Lawson.
Bro. I'm always ready to defend my frickin' buddies. Hold on.
Jacob, look at this dude's signature. Look at this guy's signature. Jacob! Rickatron 3000.
He could just be a jock that's terrible at everything, though.
He's muscled up, bro. 2 packs of cookies. Uh-oh.
Switching it up tonight.
Jacob, I only see 1 pack of cookies.
Wait, usually buys exactly 2 packs of cookies. He said switching it up tonight.
While that's possible, I don't know if I trust it.
Max, come here.
What's up?
Give him the 360 no-scope legend trance. Technology. Oh. Get him! Kill him! Dude,
Jacob,
right
why'd you
outside,
shoot him, bro?
Really?
Jacob, why'd you shoot him?
You did it, bro!
What? Ah! Oh my gosh, dude, that's Jacob. Your mopping scared the crap out of me. You let one doppelganger complete its transaction earlier in the night. What? They have altered the entities. They will arrive at Jacob, we got trap. Lay traps. All right, Jacob, come on.
Okay.
Come on. What the frick is that noise, bro?
Emergency! Max, go to the storage room.
I'm laying crazy traps.
Fully load out. There's only one.
I put one down, Jacob. We're okay.
Okay.
Barricade. Come on.
Dude, where's the barricade? What? Oh.
Dude, we got this, Jacob. Come on.
6 siege.
Dude, I didn't know.
Max, you got your gun?
Yeah.
I got 2.
Let's go.
Get two. I'm ready.
Locked in, Jacob. Locked in,
Where
bro.
are we going?
I don't freaking know. No, Jacob, we got back to each other. Hold on. Come here. Right here. I'll look this way, you look the other way.
Oh my god.
We trap it?
No.
Oh my gosh, he's breaking down the whole thing.
Go back, seconds out.
Jake, no jump trick shot.
Get the fuck out.
Yo!
Where'd it go?
Let's go, Jacob. Come on.
Let's freaking go.
Come on,
Let's
Jacob.
Go.
Shift is done. Let's go, bro.
Okay,
That's
we
what I'm
gotta
talking
clean up the
about,
mess,
man.
bro. How did that thing leave like no blood behind?
Hey, bro.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my
We're actually,
god.
no, Jacob, we're actually techie with it, bro.
Oh
Come on
my
now.
god, bro.
Come
Hold
on now.
Hold on.
We got to take it. I don't want to just like kill a random customer randomly.
Hold on. I'm just trying to help everyone out.
Okay, that's good advice.
All right, let's go.
W freaking shift, Jacob. Let's get this buddy.
Wait, what about that dude behind the building, bro?
He's not coming back, bro. I scared him off, bro. I scared him off. Scared him off big style. Adam Knight report. Oh, that's just so good.
Okay. Oh.
Oh shoot.
Wait, who did we kill? That was not a doppelganger.
Ricky. We killed Ricky.
Ricky,
why'd you gotta switch it up? Ricky,
up.
why'd you gotta switch it up? Dude, we were with it, bro.
Oh, click next shift,
dude,
bro.
Jacob, for Richard McCree, asked for a hair product for his wife. Searching where it revealed she is bald. Hey, bro, next shift. Let's get it, bro. Let's go.
Click in there quick. Notice board, what's going on?
Some contractors came up, finally fixed the gas pump. Along with your current duties, you also need to help drivers by pumping gas to their cars. Naturally, you must also detect if there are doppelgangers. Read the note by the phone. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot. Shoot,
dude, this is a good game.
This is a very good game.
Hey, let me pump.
Don't hey,
yo,
bro.
Oh, sorry.
Spotting a doppelganger drivers. Ask them how you can help. Use this flashlight to search the car for suspicious items. Look up their license plate and the device to your right. Question them on these topics. If their store doesn't line up, you're permitted to open fire. You are not a cop. Ignore normal crimes. Only act on doppelganger threats. Jacob,
Wait,
read
I'm
this.
not
Read
a
this.
cop.
Read this.
I'm not a cop.
I'm not a cop.
I'm coming, buddy. Enter car's license
Oh
plate.
my gosh,
Right.
Jacob is pulling up.
Driving up. I got him. You run
Hold me,
the
please,
store,
car.
bro.
Go.
I got him.
Yeah, handle it.
Hey, what's up? License plate. Who remembers their license
Tell
plate?
me it. Tell me it.
04LJ. 04LJ.
Slow down.
04LJ. 04LJ.
Oh wait. No. On this thing. Hold on. Ready? 19 expires 19. Hold on. Expires 1994. Blue station wagon. Dirt marks on lower exterior. Details updated weekly. Hey, I think he looks good, bro. Jacob, you gonna fill him up?
Check this front.
You gonna fill him up?
Oh, let me check the back. All right.
Bro. Whoa.
Back seat. All right, let me get in. All right, let me get in.
Jacob, he has a bunch of guns.
Wait.
No, I think those are a bunch of weapons. Yeah.
Oh!
No, ask him about that, bro.
Let me talk to you about something.
Hold on. Let me get my
Don't act like
flashlight.
that's surprising anymore. I need to protect myself. I know dang well you've got a stash of guns somewhere in that store. Hold on a minute. Clothes? What's going on with my clothes? You mean take pleasure in asking stupid questions?
I don't know anybody that keeps a whole CS:GO loadout in their car, bro.
I'm gonna be honest. Besides the guns, he's chilling.
Dude, that's a whole CS:GO loadout.
Dude, I know, but that's W, bro. Like I be doing that too.
Okay. Is he good? You want to pump him? Yeah, pump him up.
How do I?
Jacob. Jacob, I don't think that's happening.
Are you good? Oh, wait. How may I help you? Give me 13 on unleaded. Oh, okay. Here we go.
Bill to $13 exactly, Jacob. Come on. No more, no less.
Dude, I'm scared, bro. These Float Me Please blue imposters
Bingo.
just be doing this,
Bingo.
bro.
All right, you can leave, sir.
More times. Bingo.
You're good, bro.
All right, so you may leave. Took you long enough.
Wow. What's with the sass? Jacob's analyzing. Hold on. Who's this guy?
Let's talk to this frickin'
I could
dude.
see his butt crack through his shorts.
Okay, his signature looks kind of chill. He's just got a little Tommy. What's his frickin' name? Tommy Boxes? Just Tommy.
But he's got a shirt
Tommy,
on there.
No last name.
What?
Wait, no. He's got a last name. I asked him alive. He said I got nothing to say about that.
Whoa. Hold on.
Is that what they usually say?
I'm asking about his clothes. Yeah, I know it's just really hot. Let me grab some. It's nighttime. Everybody else is wearing clothes. You got to put a shirt on when you're in my store, little boy.
Hold on. Let me inspect some. Okay. Want to open your mouth real quick? I think he's fine. I don't know.
Okay. You have a good night, boy.
Let him go. Let him go.
You have a good night, bro.
Let him go.
Yo!
Max,
Double it up and give it back to us.
as quick as you can. Talk to him as quick as you can.
Come here.
No, the other dude.
Oh.
Oh no, we definitely just let him go. Oh no. What?
Oh! My gosh, dude, this scared me.
Max?
What?
Someone opened a door.
Who?
There's a rat!
Jacob! Dude.
Hold on, what did he say?
Dude, it's the same thing. Oh my gosh, that last
I'm
dude was
alive, but
imposter.
it's all
That
about-
last dude was imposter.
How do you know?
Dude, he's giving like for real answers.
No, he's not, bro. His date of birth, he says, I don't know what to say about this still. And alive,
What?
he said, I would say I'm alive, but it's all about perspective.
What the frick is this guy talking about? Being
Which
deep for
one
no
was it,
reason.
bro? Which one was it, bro? Max, I think we gotta gamble. Did we kill him?
Yeah.
All right. Max, distract him.
Hey, sir, can I ask you one question?
Get this all off. Max.
What?
Store generator.
Uh-oh. Jacob, fix that immediately. There we go.
I'm terrified. I'm.
Jacob, we got a bunch of bullcrap this time from the thing.
Max! Max!
Jacob, I see it.
W painting.
Hold on.
Max, we both gotta hit him with a headshot at the same time.
Trick!
Come here.
What a loser. Get fooled, you freaking buddy. Freaking hashtag outplay, bro. Hashtag outplay.
Wait, that was a crazy outplay.
Wasn't that crazy?
Max, I feel like we did something like mega incorrect earlier.
Yeah, we definitely did. Hold on, we got a lad out here that wants gas. What's up, dude? Hello, sir. What, bro? How may I help you? Wait, license plate. Match registry. It's worn down carpet. It's still legal. 3J4Z. Let's see, buddy. 1987 station wagon. Jacob, did you close the door?
No.
Jacob, did you close the door?
Door to what?
Jacob, it closed on its own.
Which door?
This door.
Oh, the big door? Yeah.
Clean exterior, rusted front wheels. All checks out. A little run down, but it's my baby. Okay, this guy swears by this vehicle. Closed. Oh, sorry, I haven't been able to wash them for a while. Hold on, let me inspect.
Dude, it is looking pimpy in here.
Dude, this guy's car is made out of like meat.
Good. Sorry.
Bro,
That's
take a
not
look.
being- Dude, he's an imposter. That's
Kill him. Easy, bruv. Yo! Yo!
What?
Yo! Yo, shit, bro, no. He's getting it, bro. Yo.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Don't even test this man, bro.
Oh, don't let him in the back room. Okay.
Don't even test this man, bro. Get everything you need right there, bro.
Dude, this is legendary. Oh wait.
I never knew somebody could do that. Jacob, you serve that man. You serve that man up. I've never.
Ay buenas noches, amigo. Don't mind me. These feet won't stop moving, baby. Okay. Hold
Keep
on.
it moving, bro.
Hold on. Let me see it. Max, get this bear trap out of here.
What? Oh.
It's still there.
Wait, Jacob.
Okay.
I need to make a little edit of him. Hold on, right?
Come check this signature.
What?
Come check this signature.
Bro.
He just drew himself.
I can't even hate on that, man. I
hold
would
on,
do
hold
that.
on. What's his name?
Esteban Morales.
Worked long years of construction. Now I dance.
I could
Retired
see that,
construction worker.
Esteban.
Yep, very short. Yep.
This dude's got crazy lubed up joints, bro.
Born in 1933, 6 years, still moving like I'm 20.
Ooh.
I think he's good.
I think he's legit, bro. I think he's legit.
That's the most legit dancing I've ever seen. I don't even care about the signature.
Check this
That's
young man
top.
out. Check this young man out.
Do you think the signature is enough to be like?
Dude, I think
my
he's
God.
good, bro. We get the sheriff coming back.
Oh, the sheriff's come back. Okay. He's got the glasses on. He's got the uniform. Yeah, I think he's chilling.
Which
Just
one?
getting
Wrong?
the shipment ready.
Hey, I'm back. What's up, Clyde? How's the new job working out for you? Pretty good, man. Well, you're still alive. You're doing better than most. We've been here for like 3 days, bro. Proud of you, kid. Not many are willing to take a job that's dangerous. Your job's as dangerous as mine, but you don't get the same respect I do. Well, you've got my respect if that means anything to you. Thanks, bro. Clyde, you look pretty good. Tough to wear his glasses. I think this guy's good. Jacob, what are you doing? I think he's good.
Oh, wait.
Oh, whoa. I'm like checking security cameras. What the?
Yeah, what?
Hey, who are you? Back away! Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh, Jacob, is Clyde dead? Yo! Did you get him? Did you get him?
No.
You went Lombardi Baber.
Yep,
Complete
not
transaction.
good.
Oh,
Not good.
shoot, bro. I knew it was that shirtless dude. Okay, Jacob, board it up, lock in.
Wait, hold on. I'm like low-key letting a shipment in. I don't know if this is a good idea.
Jacob, are you serious? Wait, no, we got time,
Do we?
That's all?
That's all I ordered. Okay, out of here. Yep, close
Jacob,
it.
load it up. Jacob, load it up.
Where do I put it?
Jacob, you bought it.
Oh, okay. All right, we're good.
Come on, let's go.
Max, they could come from the...
The little baby! Little baby's running around!
He's over here!
Yo!
There's so many of them!
No!
I killed
Thank you. He's gone. Let's go, bro. Let's go.
We did it.
Come on, man. Let's frickin' go, Jacob.
Bro, we can't be messing up like that, though.
Let's go, bro.
All right, I'm gonna restock all the shelves. You get all the blood and the stuff.
Okay.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, Jacob, we gotta do something about these rats, bro.
I got racks. Wait, Max.
What?
Before we leave, hold on. I gotta stock these shelves really quick. Hold on. One more shelf right here. Before we leave, one more for the road, baby. Give it some good.
Hat. Traffic car. Are you kidding me?
Get that on, Max. Actually, no, I got it.
Yeah, you got that, Jacob. Let's go. Dude, today's revenue $99. Come on, bro. I'm having a laugh.
Jade was yep, it was the first Tommy. Oh no, he died. No, he died to the frickin' funny money.
Yeah, killed. Yeah. Oh, finished demo.
I would return to that.
That was mad good. Alrighty, y'all. Well, if y'all enjoyed that playthrough of Shift at Midnight Multiplayer, you'd like to see us if you'd like to see us return to the full game, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially to make it this far. Comment your favorite timestamp, and I'll see you guys next time. Au revoir, my friends. Peace. Write down below if you think he's talking to somebody cool. He's saying something. He said, oh my gosh! It's the guy. Hey, sir. Sorry, I get nervous. No, I know. I've been taking photos like that for years, bro. You don't even have to worry. No, he's like running. Warning, this game is awesome, and you are going to play it when you load up the game, and it's... Okay. When was the last time you took a photo of something? Maybe yesterday, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Well, today we're going to be taking photos of people, and something's going to be wrong with these people. At least I think. I don't really know how the game works yet. Hello everybody, my name is Theorfest. Welcome to Photo Anomaly, a horror game where ghosts are hiding inside pictures and people and you got to differentiate between the two. Let's not waste more time. Let's press that new game button. This game automatically will want you to have a good day. Okay, let's go with me, bro. No, day 14. Turn on the fuse box in the back alley. The power must be out again. I should reset the fuse from the back alley. What? Goodness, what freaking time is it? Well, it's 3 p.m. for me. I wonder what time it is for this guy. From the fuse box in the back alley. Wait a minute, do I live in my store? Oh, freaking genius, bro. And the back room's wallpaper, man. Get out, lad. Come on. Okay. Free candy. Nah. You made fool 4-year-old, not me. Bang. Now, if that said free Wagyu beef, this video would be going very differently at this current moment. I should clean up before opening the shop. All right, bro. Clean up. All right, this place looks fine, bro. Grab a broom and have fun. Okay.
Hey, buddy.
Grab a broom and clean the stains on the floor. What stains? That's not even bad, bro. Nobody's gonna freaking notice that. Dude, see, I'm getting to that age now where I've played so many of these games where it's just like, all right, do this task, do this task, do this task. I almost don't even want to play the game because of that, bro. Open the shop. All right, let me put the broom back. All right, fair enough. Come on in, everybody. Gosh. All right, let's turn on the stinking lights. Goodness. Couldn't see a gosh darn thing. What the frick is this? Oh, this is where I take photos. Hold on, let me close the door. Lock. Goodness. Big industrial door strength. What's up, dude? No stinking way, bro. This gotta be me, bro. Who else has got posture like this, bro? What's up, bro? I've been waiting for a long time. I've been waiting for a long time for the shop to reopen. I want a photo where I look handsome. See, now, if this was real life, you gotta start gassing the dude up. He's like, nah, man, you just want a normal photo because you always look handsome. Bang. Come on, bro. And then he's gonna like tip me like $20 freaking. That'll buy lunch. Actually, nowadays that'll buy like half a lunch. I got you, bro. What do you need? Oh, he's just going straight in there. Format, landscape, print size, 340, print count, 3 trillion. Okay, let's get it. Where's my camera at? Oh, shoot, man. I must be lucky today. When I was a kid, my dad never wanted me to go in this room. Who could be inside? What the frick? Alright, bro. Oh! Okay. Jump scared by a tutorial. To take a valid customer photo, stand on the marked spot and shoot while in the camera mode with the correct rotation. If you're taking camera valid in the photo, the green icon will appear in the right. Okay. Okay, so my camera's gonna tell me if I'm doing a good job. I must be a crappy photographer. Okay. Alright, dude. Alright, now to be quite honest, this is the worst photo of anybody you could ever take. The lighting stinks, my lights are freaking broken in here. Somehow the light's blinking over there and the light's right here. Do I have a suit I can put him in, bro? Cause this is egregious. He's not even smiling. Say cranberry juice. See? It was bogus. Do I gotta get closer? Oh, did I scare you guys? Sorry. Is this stinking Messi? This looks exactly like Messi. Nope. Oh! Come on, where you going? Hey, man. One photo and he's out, bro. That picture had him stressing. To transfer the photos to the computer, interact with the PC while holding the camera. Hold the envelope, interact with the photos. Okay. Alright, interact with the PC while holding the camera. No. Camera connected, new photos detected. Do you want to start transfer? Yes. I thought it was gonna start spitting like a little poem. Okay, photos. Oh! We gotta get rid of that middle one, bro. This would be like the photo you put on your wall. This would be what you use on like a YouTube thumbnail. You know what I mean? Okay. Print. Size 3x4. Copies. Well, you need 3 of them. You thought he hit 2 and he's like, alright, that's good. Bang. Gosh, stinking easy as a butt cheek, bro. Oh! Dude, I think he walks in the gym and only hits back. That's crazy, bro. You gotta get that fixed. Got the photo. Now, is this all 3? No. Oh, wait a minute. Yep. 3 photos. Envelope. What the frick am I doing? Why do you do it? Okay, there we freaking go. Here you go, bro. Sorry about that. When I went to bed, I forgot how to do my whole job. Bro, take them. Quit looking at me, bro. Kick out the store. All right, dude. There you go. There's your photos. Is that a Minecraft villager? It's getting hot in here, bro. Go ahead. Take them. Bro, here you go. Take them. They're yours. What, does he have to give me money first? Probably. Oh, let me just like try to slide him in his pocket. Hold on. So he clearly doesn't want to pick him up. Let me put him in his pocket. Okay. Okay. Oh! Alright. Bro, that's actually gonna tick me off. No. Within Buddy Living, bro, I clicked on his face and it didn't do that the first time. There, how much money did I get, though? How much money was that? Okay, just don't tell me. Alright, that's cool. Yeah. Alright, wait, actually, you know, it's a great way to find out. Let's go to the stinking store. 39 bucks for 3 photos? What a deal. Alright, so here's what I'm thinking. I'm good on envelopes. I don't need frames. I don't give a fart about that. I want pictures of my customers in my store. It's a little odd. Hold on, who just walked in? Hi, ma'am. I'm applying I'm applying for a passport. Can you take the proper photo for it? You've come to the best shop in town. There's like a dude across the street named like Photo Bobby. It's like taking the best photos. No, me now. All right, man. Sit down. Yes. Oh my gosh. Bro, she's low-key mogging on me, bro. Chill, bro. Might have to turn my face cam off. Get mogged right now. Wait, I gotta do the same thing, like get up and close? This makes sense for a passport photo. Oh! Wait, what are the requirements? Portrait. Oh, yeah. There we go. Can I not? There we go. Oh, look. No. Look. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Gonna do a little print. Gonna do a little print. Do I have a Bluetooth camera? I didn't even know they made those. All right, let's delete that. Delete that. Set as. Oh! No! That's weird as frick, bro. Oh, gosh darn it. Hold on. There we go. Gosh, bro. Hashtag weirdo mode, bro. Do y'all think I should scam her? Should I scam her? Nah, okay, I won't. All right. Oh, gosh, man, that electric bill's speaking to me. Telepathically saying, pay me. Print. Okay, what, 2x3? 5 of them? You getting 5 passports? Holy moly. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello? Somebody messing with my water supply? Okay. Sorry about that, man. Sorry about the delay. Gosh, I'm so stinking good at this, bro. Here you go. Appreciate y'all. How much money did you give me? Ooh! Bro. Oh my gosh, if I was like 2 years younger, I'd been freaking tweaking out. Half of y'all would come sort of. Where's the power? This freaking messing with me. This freaking Lego beef! I just turned off one of my lights. Yo, what the frick? We broke his jump scare. He started talking about food. What's going on, bro? Bro. My light turned back on. Thank you, man. And this guy's over here. What do you want? Tell me. Who is this dude? They printed a photo of me where I look awful on my missing person poster. I want you to take a better one. Okay, this guy thinks 2 + 2 adds up to 3. Okay. Hey, if you got the money to pay, bro, it's all yours. Oh. Gosh, bro. I haven't seen this much alcohol consumption in a single human in 5 years, bro. Yo, sit down! Alright, bro. I'm just gonna take the most bullcrap photo of this guy. This guy doesn't even know up from down right now. Oh, it's like giving me requirements? Bro, chill, bro. You have fun, bro. I'm not going in there. Smells like pinto beans. All right, I got you, dude. Hold on. Why is he like Loki chilling in the photo? He's like, you can't even tell he's drunk in the photo. Darn it. Wrong button. 4x6. Oh, he wants some big poster size.
Gosh darn near gigantic.
Start. I have a feeling I'm gonna get scammed. If I do, all right, here's what I'm gonna do. If he doesn't put money on the desk, what I'm gonna do is close that door and beat him up till he doesn't understand English anymore. Yeah, that's a good idea. Hey man, you go out to those missing persons you go out to the posters and make them look good, bro. Poter. Farted. Okay. Here you go, dude. Genius. Can I get the door for you? Oh, seems like you got it. All right. Maybe that's just how he is, man. Remember, you never know. Some people really just like to walk. Sometimes. Oh, that's my water. What's up, dude? What can I do for you today, kind sir? Wait a minute. Now, sir, I'm so sorry for the delay, but the store is screaming my name. Let's see how much money I got. 89 stinking dollars. What should I buy?
Gotta buy that nice background, bro.
Okay. Good idea. Now, is it insta arrival? 1 second, sir. Let me go check.
Now you're good, bro. Don't even worry about it.
Yes, it is. Gotta give you the premium experience. Sorry for the delay. Let's go. I'm releasing a new album. Take my photo while I pose for the album cover. Okay, bro. What kind of genre are we talking? What kind of music you make?
That music that makes you want to beat people up, man. Look. Come on, bro. Don't even mess around, bro. It's that real stuff, bro.
He wants landscape 3x4. Gosh, no, it's tough, bro. You're looking good. Wait a minute. Hold on. So, okay, sorry, that's something else. Something else took the photo. Bang, bro. Looking crazy. Wants 4 beat 3x4s. You have a phenomenal day. No, I know. August 14th, I know. It's coming. I got you. How much money we got now? I'm just getting all the sting goodies. I gotta get the softbox lighting. Now keep in mind though, if I run out, how much ink do I have? How much ink do I have? Who's this? Oh. Let's see. I have 4 paper left. What the frick? Paper's 15 bucks? Yeah, I'll do it. Paper deliveries. You can pick up delivered orders from the delivery pallet in the back alley. Okay. Hold on, I think it's already here. Oh my gosh. Oh my stick. Already here. Let's frickin' go, bro. His arms gotta be tired, bro. You can put him down. No pressure, no pressure. Okay, alright, hold on. What can I do for you, sir?
I need to get a photo taken that I can use for a job application.
Okay. Job application? I have a feeling that's due to self-employed. Put your stinking arms down, bro! Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Hey. Missing. Wait, the person I took the photo is missing. How? Where did he go? Who took him? Let me turn the power back on. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. Let me turn the power back on. Somebody's always freaking messing with my power! Hey, ma'am. You know, aren't you looking jolly? Have you ever seen a clown before? Well, I know, but there was one that just came to the store. He's like stealing my freaking photos, like wasting all his photos of this freaking guy. He turns off my power, isn't that crazy? Okay. My friends at school claim I do not show up in photos. I need a photo as proof to them. If you had an iPhone, that'd be a pretty quick way to do it yourself. All right, let's test it. All right, go ahead, sit down. I got you. Ooh, get it, girl. Let's go. All right, let's see if it works. Don't show up in photos. Huh? You're a funny trickster. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Is she lying, everybody? Let's see. You're right here. I can see you clear as day. Clear as day. What's up, hey? Print. 4x6. 2 of them. Genius. Now, what are you gonna do? Disappear in real life? Oh, that's gonna be funny. That's just gonna be great, isn't it? All right. He's losing it. I can order envelopes using the store on the computer. Wow, I would have never guessed. Okay. Here you go, ma'am. Oh my gosh, how much money I get? Do I need more envelopes? 44 bucks. How many envelopes do I have? I'm out. Appreciate you, sir. You know what I think it is? Free candy man also have free envelopes, free paper man, but it's not free. I got paid on the store. You know what I mean? Oh, for a second I thought this dude had no shirt. Oh, he doesn't have a shirt. Hey man, I have the refright to few surfaces. Any? Get out. Now. Hello?
I miss my wife so much. I want to take a photo of her. If we reunite someday, I want to give it to her.
Whatever life you had with her, you seem much happier right now, bro. Alright, bro. Oh, maybe he's like sad and happy at the same time? Put a shirt on, bro! Oh my gosh. Got a stinking belly button, his little buddies in the picture. Dude, ew! Ew! Alright, let's get it. Yo, you guys would never catch me walking into a picture shop with no shirt on. Alright, just give me 1 second, bro. You want a 2x3? Yo. Oh my gosh, how kind. His wife's not...
What is it? Something wrong with the photo?
Alright, why are my dialogue options, like, not addressing the... There's not even an elephant in the room, it's just the human in the room. Yes! I can see a woman. I was gonna say how kind of his wife to sneak through the door while I'm taking his photo and sneak in there with him.
Saying things out loud can be a problem for some people.
I thought you guys might like seeing this picture of Toaster Strudel instead of seeing the jump scare. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys liked it. Okay, we can resume the video.
Alright, let's close the shop. Let's go sleep. I'm gonna turn off the lights. It's crazy. We live in we live in perma-night land. Day 200. We live in perma-night land. The sun's just never out. Alright, everybody, come in. Oh my gosh, there's gotta be like a wiener on his face or something. They're censoring it for me. Thank you, game. Hello? Don't ask questions. Just listen. I know what you saw last night. Yeah. Okay, go ahead. No. I think you're lying. Go ahead and tell.
The previous owner, your father worked with us. Now it's your turn. No. There has to be some dollar signs involved, bro. And I cannot do this for free, unfortunately. Take this key in this film roll. I'll be back to collect the printed results. Don't mention me or what we talked about to anyone. We'll meet again soon. What? What is this? How do I view this film roll? What is he doing? Wait, what did he do? Did he flip the sign and flipped it back over? It still says open on the outside. But a key. One second, dude. I gotta check something out. Bro. Interact with the cutting station until the film roll is used to produce photos in the negative form. Place the negative photos under the developer's stop bath in the fixture solution order, then wait for the process to finish. Okay. Hang the photos you take from the fixture on the drying rack to dry. What are we taking photos of, bro? Nah, chill. That's just my buddy Roman. Once dry, you can collect the photos and put them into an envelope. Evil room, bro. How you doing, sir? I need to renew my ID. Can you take my photo in the correct size? Nah, bro, I can't do that, bro. Alright, he said the correct size, 2x3. What the frick is he doing? My gosh, bro, he's got the world's longest femurs sitting right on the edge. I'm surprised the stool fell over, bust his butt cheeks on the floor. Couldn't give a frick, bro. My type of guy. What's up, man? He wants 6 photos for some frickin' reason. He's gonna get 6 driver's licenses. Now, I need to get the softbox. The softbox is gonna be so OP. Everybody's gonna be coming into my store for that. Let's do... Actually, I want to save that one as evidence just in case things get bad. Delete. Okay. 6, 2x3. Here you go, dude. Appreciate y'all. How much money? Go to the store! $57. Nice. Alright, not too many people now. Come on, guys. Come on, chill on the line outside the door, you guys, chill. Alright, now what do I need to... Oh. How's it going, ma'am? I took some photos for my New Year planner. Can you develop them? Yes, I stinking can. Hand them over. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I didn't know it was the film roll I had to do this with. I thought they were gonna hand me photos. Hold on. I'll do yours first, and then I'll do the ones that I got second. Okay, so it says developer 10 seconds. Okay, I thought they were gonna make me count 10 seconds, but I'd look over my OBS and just count 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds. Can you hurry the frick up, please? 1 second, man, 1 second. I got a lot more photos to do. 10 more seconds, man, for this first photo. Genius. Can I stack them all up? Can I do multiple at one time? I can't, bro. Okay, yeah, let me start doing multiple at once. Oh my gosh, it's like Roblox Tycoon, bro. It's like a Roblox Tycoon. Oh, I gotta let them dry out. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. Give me 1 second, man. Oh my gosh, I forgot about the most important step. I almost sold her wet pictures. I mean, hey, if you wanted that, you could have it. But I hope you'd want them dry. It's 1, 2, 3. You frickin' know it. Here you go, ma'am. You have a great night. How much? That has to be lucrative money I just got. $80. No, my finger slipped. Frickin' go. Can I turn off the light in here and get... Oh, ultra, man. Ultra mode, bro. Ultra man. They call me Photo Boy. All right, let's start on these ones over here. Put you right there. I can just leave these up there, but I want to look at them. Oh, I saw like a baby on there. Oh, wait, what is this one? Oh my gosh, the grandma's missing from the photo. Oh, somebody go. Oh, whoa, what is that? Man, you gotta look at these, bro. There's some bull crap going on in these photos. Hey, yeah, you chill out. Dude, my whole mic stand is broken, bro. My setup's coming apart right before I move, bro. It's horrible. There's like the chair, the headphones, the microphone, my computer's next, bro. That was last summer when I got hacked. So okay, I'm good there. It already happened. Let's see this. Ew, dude. Who put those stupid clothes on that little baby? He's screaming to have them off. Take them off. You gotta see this one, bro. That freaking baby on there. That thing's crazy. No, see. Oh, sorry. No, view it. That's where the grandma went, bro. No, I know there's a can in that photo. Look, there she is. My gosh, man. What's this last one? Ah, my gosh. Somebody threw a frisbee. Look. Check this out, bro. I've never seen this frisbee before, bro. Isn't that crazy? Oh, we just cared all. The photos I take of myself look terrible. Can you take a good one? Simple request, simple answer. You came to the best spot in town. Let's go to the frickin' room, bro. Come on. Hey, quit controlling my power. Gosh, he's like sitting there like... Oh, okay. Nah, bro. You're lying, bro. You must be lying over there. You know what I gotta say? You had to be lying to me on that counter, bro. Landscape 3x4, 5. Oh my gosh. Look at this, man. You thought this Michael Jackson. Back up. Back up. Bro, how'd it turn out? It look good? Yeah. Okay there, swaggy boy. Go to the swaggy table with your swaggy walk. Gosh, I'll beat you to a pulp if you ever do some crap like that ever again. Transfer completed.
How many freaking what? People always want. Can nobody just have one photo and be happy? What do I even do with these photos? Quit messing with my power! Bro, he's messing with my power and my water supply, bro. He's swaggy boy. I'm a swaggy boy. Alright, here you go, dude. Oh my gosh. Load me up. How much is it? $26? Oh, no. To be fair, I drained myself all the way down to like 5 last time. Okay. Quit all that yelling! Dude wasn't even laughing out there, he's just yelling. Alright, come on. What do you need, Joe? What do you need? Listen, kid, they say I need to put a profile photo on that Zuckbook thing. Take one for me. Yeah, okay, you'll get your Zuck. He's got the Zuck walk, bro. I'll take your photo, Mr. Zuck. That's not. What is going on? Hey, bro, if you want that pose, I'll do the pose, man. Is he wearing socks? You gotta have shoes to be in my store. I'll make an exception. He's tweaking out. Y'all see that? He glitched. He's looking at me. No, I know, they'll eat it up. Eat it up. The Zuckbook people will be a fan. This is actually not even that bad. Alright, bro. A little hips, Yay. Hey, bro. I get it, man. I get it. Sometimes you just gotta have a good day. Yeah, that's all. No. Come on now. Finally! First person to order one photo. You know what you're gonna get for that? You know what you're gonna get for that? A frickin' high five. One photo for my big boy right here. Here you go. You have a great day. You have a great day. Come on. Come on, bro. It just legitimately doesn't get any better. Okay, alright.
I'm a journalist. We have some new photos. They need to be developed without showing anybody. Please help me and do not call the police.
Hey man, when you come to Photo FS, you get peak client privacy privilege, right? See these photos? I'm not gonna tell a soul. Nobody's seeing these photos except me and you, bro. Hey, turn that light back on. Turn that light back on now. Hey, turn my lights back on. Gotta chill out, man. Gosh, okay, see here at Photo FS, we like to play pranks on each other all the time, man. We got such a great work environment.
Hey man, like I said, bro, don't tell anybody about this, okay?
No, I know, not a soul. Not a soul. I know. Not a soul, man. You know how they got attorney-client privilege? You got FS boss man privilege. Oh, this last one can't be much worse. Oh my gosh, what do I do? Sir? Like I said, FS Photoshop client privilege. That's all you needed to say, man. That's all you needed to say. You have a great day. Gosh, I think that might be my favorite customer yet. How's it going, man?
Dear, I do not have any color photos. I do not have any color photos. Can you take a color photo of me? For sure.
Bang. Genius. It's gonna be full of color. What do you want, 3 of them? Okay, 4x6. Okay. Oh my. Her daughter snuck in the photo. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I don't think I'm feeling very well. Did we turn out that bad? We? She knows about it. She's gone. Okay, I must be thinking, man. It's got to be like 6 days since I've had some water. Take a little sip, take a little food. I haven't eaten any food since I started the game, man. That's like why I'm tweaking out. 4x6, 1, 2, 3. Here you go, man. Sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, what did that say? I think I should close the shop and get some sleep. Okay, closed. Day 3. Back again. No alarm clock. Hello? What's up? Am I just up in the middle of the night? What's up? Where'd my bathroom go? They stole my bathroom, bro. I must have not paid any bill. Wait a minute. This isn't my Photoshop. Hey! Let me out! It's just a bad dream. It's just a bad dream. Who's that? The CIA. He doesn't know I'm watching him. He doesn't know I'm watching him. Who's he talking to? Write down below if you think he's talking to somebody cool. He's saying something. He said, Bro, I pressed escape right as a jump scare, man. I thought my game crashed. Day 300. Really? I said we can't keep doing this. I must have been moving crazy in my sleep. She was having a show, entertainment show. Hey, whatever keeps the work environment positive. Am I right? There's nobody in the bed. You could. Okay. Hey, no. If you want to stay in there, stay in there. Go ahead. Open the shop. Oh my gosh! It's the guy. He said it to close. Oh, I see. What if I set it to open? Can't do it. Hey, sir. Sorry, I get nervous when talking to people of high status. I'm here to pick up the photos from the film roll I gave you yesterday. Here you go. Are you just gonna take them and gonna pay me? Not bad. We can move on to the next stage. We installed special cameras around the shop. Check them from your computer during the shift. If you spot something abnormal, go there, photograph it, then transfer it to the PC and report it. No mistakes. We'll meet again soon. No money! Sir, next time you come in here, you might not walk out. That's all I gotta say. It's getting hot in here. Cameras? Wait a minute. Five Nights at Photos? Okay, so I'm invisible. Yeah, let's get an outside camera going. Yeah. How's it going, sir? I took some photos over the weekend and transferred them to a USB drive. Could I get one print of each? You got it, bro. USB drive? Do I have perms for this? Oh, okay, apparently so. See, what first normal dude to walk in the shop, man. He said what, alright, one of each. Okay, easy, bro. I should probably buy some more paper while I'm at it. Hold on. Oh, wait, did I have leftover paper in here? No, I didn't. Okay, cool. Oh, we gotta take the trash out? Oh my gosh. Bro, when bro has to do tasks? Who's a jump scare in my freaking shoulder? Bang. Here you go, bro. Appreciate ya. Let's check the security cams, make sure no one's gonna no. Okay, everything's normal. Hey, man. I can buy frames. Now, what do I do? E-placement. Oh my gosh. Right there. Ah, okay, I can't give her a free one. Right there. Nice. Hey man, what can I do for you? I want a photo of this pose. Used to be on hospital walls. Like, you're gonna do like one of these? Okay. This pose. But why is that gonna be like tough? Wait, why is that gonna be tough? Is she gonna do it? Oh my gosh, that's crazy, bro. Dude, why is she tough? She's tough. Bro, she's tough with it, bro. That might be the favorite photo I ever took, bro. That might be the photo. You know what I mean? That might be the photo. Frickin' print that photo. Go ahead, print it. Gosh, she's gonna give them out to like her 5 favorite coworkers. Frickin' talk, bro. Frickin' lady, bro. How much is that gonna be? Frickin' money. There we go. It's about time I got some upgrades in the house, bro. Let's go. About time, bro. Place look. Hey. I met a girl online. She asked for a full body photo of me. I hope you can take it. Yeah. Lord have mercy. Full body photo? Full body photo? Hey, I have a feeling that the girl you're talking to One of two things. Either she's gonna love it or she's gonna hate it. Girls be liking tall guys, bro. I can't. Hey, you want 3 of them? Alright, yeah, I can give you 3. I can give you 3. Okay, let's get photos. Okay, come on. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Alright, oh my gosh. Gosh, what are the odds that I'm just not looking at the door right as he walks in? I wouldn't want to see that guy walking at night. Let's shut the camera. Let's see what's going on. They gave me the cameras for a reason. I think everything's looking... Hey. Hey. She keeps freaking disappearing. What's she doing then? Hey, no. 1 second, sir. Or ma'am, sorry. Okay. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? I'm not happy, ma'am. Not happy. Sorry, ma'am. I'm just having a little bit of difficulties with my staff. Psst, handsome. Take a hot photo of me. Okay, no. Chill out with that voice line. Come on.
I'm gonna let you take the photos for free if you keep talking to me like that. Come on.
No. You want 6 of them? Okay. Okay. 4x6. You want them in the biggest quality? Okay. Wait a minute. I think day by day this picture's becoming clearer and clearer and clearer. Minecraft, when you go from a 16x16 to a 32x32 to a 64x64 texture pack, man. Here you go, ma'am. Did she love me up? Did she love me up? Oh! I'm gonna take a wild guess from where you just came from. Does it start with B and end with rooms? No, I know. I've been taking photos like that for years, bro. You don't even have to worry. No, he's like running. Stay in character. Stay in character, everybody. No, I know what to do with this. I know what to do with this. They did not, bro. No, you stay right there. You stay right there. Got the note on her. No photos. No photos. You stay right there. You stay right frickin' there. You stay right frickin' there. Okay. Can't look through walls. What is this? Bullcrap. No! You wanna get on the ladder? One more piece. Stop it. Bang! Come on! Stay in character. Crap, bro. Pitfalls. Did my ladder progress get saved? Oh my gosh, I have to do the whole thing again, bro. There it is. Come on now. Fart! There's $1 million this way. Bro started running. Bro ran immediately. Let's frickin' go. Bro used his head and figured the solution out. Character's gosh darn near defying gravity. Let's go. Take a picture. Was that not what I was supposed to do? Okay, wait, hold on. Frozen in time. That one Spy Kids movie. Let's frickin' go, bro. Oh, wait, it pauses there. Genius. It's an interesting backrooms entity. I've never seen this one. Wait a minute. How does it work? Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. I gotta figure out the right one. There it is. Hold on. Oh my gosh. It's like the Roblox game. This one? Nope. This one? Walk across. Nope. Darn it! Keep going across. Level 2. Oh my gosh. Okay. Up 2, then right 1. Then straight! Up 2, then right 1. 2. I'm gonna draw an S. Bro, I might be the best geoguesser of all time. Geoguesser, what we're playing. Oh my gosh. Straight. Darn it. I forgot. Holy crap! Don't you move an inch. Let's go, let's go. Genius, back. I got photo evidence of that crap now. I should close up the shop and get some sleep. Sleep. Let's go, man. What a phenomenal play. What a phenomenal play. What? This is like what freaking game mode is this? What it's the FNAF game mode in FNAF 6. This is freaking crazy. What the frick is going on? What the frick is going on? Bro, I have goosebumps. What the frick is going on? There he is. There he is. Bro, that is freaking crazy, bro. Dude, I got goosebumps. What the frick? What the frick? Turn off. That is crazy. That is crazy. What a game mode. That had me jiggling my body, man. What the, when bro playing games make body jiggle? What in the world? This freaking guy, bro. Like I said, you might not walk out today. Be careful what your words say today. You can like see my dad now. You didn't report enough anomalies yesterday. Don't let it happen again. I forgot. I'm sorry, okay? New photos came in. Print them like last time. I'll be back tomorrow to collect them. How about you stick the photos? Your daily quotas increase, so don't forget to check the cameras often. Frick off, bro! I'll turn you into a memory in Texas, bro. Here we go with this bull crap. Here we go with this bull crap. Yeah, check the cameras, bro. Check the cameras while I'm doing my job. Yeah, check the cameras. How do I report an anomaly? Oh. Night vision mode? Hey. 1 second, sir. I'll be right with you. I gotta do the bullcrap of the photos for the mask guy. I can't see his face. Now, let's see what we got. Oh. Yeah. No, like, oh, yeah. When your friend starts taking evil pictures. Okay. No, I think that's my favorite one. I think that's my favorite one. What if I throw him away? What if I throw him away against that frickin' guy? Hold on, let's... Wait, does the blinking light mean anomaly? Let's see. Alright, bro. Whatever the frig is going on in here. How do I report the anomaly? Cam red. Oh, whoa! Wait a minute, take a picture of it. There we go. Gosh, when my brain is starting to work and stuff. Gosh, what a phenomenal thing that is. Okay, I've had this dude waiting at this desk for like 40 hours real time. Sorry. But man, take a charismatic photo of me and let our reputation grow. Hey, whatever you say, bro. Whatever you say, bro. But you're the customer. It's my wish. It's my wish to take a photo of you. Alright. Let our reputation grow or whatever he said, bro. No! No! What? Alright, bro, whatever you say, bro. Wait a minute. I gave him the picture of the wars. He's gonna open it when he gets home. He's gonna be like, what the frick is this? Play this bullcrap security game. He's like, spot the anomalies, bro. I should punch you in your throat, bro. I should punch you so hard you frickin' start seeing things. Oh, what is that over there? Is it my man? What's up, man? I never had a photo taken before. I'm curious. This will be my first. Hey, bro. It's 2026, bro. I'd be surprised. You're probably lying. Okay, based on those shorts, he's probably telling the truth. Now, does he want landscape? No, portrait. What is that noise? Is that anomaly noise? Oh, it is. Wow. Okay. That's what the blink. Oh my gosh, the blinking lights. They stole that from the other games. Wait. Wait, where's that at? Did I get it? I think I got it. I think I got it. It didn't give me a notification though. All right, I'm gonna give you the photo, dude. All right, man. All right. Oh, I did capture it. Okay. Print. What do you want? 8 of them? Dude thinks I'm made of paper. What the frick? I ought to give you a concussion for free. Come on, bro. Suck it up on my paper. Suck it up on my envelopes. Frick this guy. I need to order more envelopes because this dingus. Sucking up all my utilities. Gosh, man. 8 of them? You better be loading me up crazy style. What'd I spend? Okay, 40. Bro, that's crazy. I think he just gave me like $20. That's crazy. No, continue the game, please. What's up? All right, let's see. Yeah, I knew it. I knew they were gonna give me an anomaly. Where's it at? Where's it at? I'll be with you 1 second, sir. Andy. Mr. Evil walked in my shop. I worked with your father before. I hope you're as good as he was. I need some document prints. Can you print them from this USB? It's like how people are like dying and stuff. Yeah, sure, I got you, bro. SpaceX stream is starting up in a couple seconds, guys. Just wait. Man, come on, man. Only OG viewers remember. MicroStrategy, yes, bro. Brings me back. What want me to do? Turn on the power? Yeah, frick this guy. I really hate when the game makes you go outside. That frickin' sucks. Wait, what is that photo? Men in Black. They erased his memory. What did he know? What did he know? Perfect. You're the perfect person to show this. You're the perfect person to show this to. This neighborhood safety is my job. How are things going? I don't feel safe, dude. Glad to hear there's no trouble. I need a photo taken of the new police posters. They're for the new police. All right, bro. Watch. He's gonna get on the stool. He's gonna do some straight bull crap, bro. He's gonna do some straight bull crap. Or not. Or not, bro. He's keeping it freaking classy. He's walking around like a big hunk of a guy. Bro ate a burrito right before this. How many does he want for the posters? 4? Okay, that's normal. That's normal. I would have beat the crap out of this guy if he said anything more than like 5. Another anomaly. Another anomaly. Where's it at? Dude, frickin' pooping on my toilet on the computer. Nah. Give it back right now. You just wait 1 second, officer. Somebody's doing something. Dad? Hey, can't you see the doors closed? Wait, what? I thought this was a public restroom. Anyway, I'm done already, thanks. Dude, watch the dude big fat old poop come out of his freaking butt. Swallowing up. Yo! He actually dropped a freaking big old deuce! Dude, this is like this is a premium load. No way. I can't look at that, bro. Officer, there has been a crime committed in that bathroom. Officer. Give me that stinking camera. I'm catching you this time. Can't have the glasses man come back and erase my memory. Wiener. Did I catch it? Did I catch it? No, the light's still blinking. Did I catch it though? I did. There another anomaly? There's the anomaly in that bathroom, I'll tell you that, bro. Alright, gosh, I got all these stinking photos. I got evil photo. I got like an evil photo of the deuce in the freaking toilet. Then we got freaking Mr. Tough right here. 4 of them? Yeah, sorry, sir. Sorry it took so long. He's waiting over there like, okay, show, bro. Been waiting here for a minute. Here you go. If you need anything, I'll be on duty at the corner all night. Step out and call for me. I'll remember that, bro. I'll remember that. I forgot about this. I need to frame this so we can see it. Sorry, guy. I gotta do this for now. See if there's anomalies. See if there's anomalies. What the frick is that? Something in my washer. 1 second, sir. 1 second, sir. There's something in my washing room. Something in my washer, bro. I like how they include that mechanic from the other games where you usually have to take a picture to capture the anomalies. That's crazy. Mismo! What the frick is Eddie's cat doing in the game? What the fart? Report. Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Good frickin' eyes, man. I just didn't even see that Yikes, man. You guys are probably yelling at the screen. What's this? Don't semi-pointless... Alright. Oh gosh. I just said evil background, bro. Evil background. Okay, send that one. Anomaly reported. What is he gonna say back? Is he like, oh, that's crazy. Good catch. This evidence will do a report. I didn't even know that was an option. I thought he was gonna come in and like collect it. And then I got this one from the beginning. But that's like a pinata. That's not even bad. Good, this evidence will do. I gotta do 4 of them? No, let's see, let's see. I have a feeling this one's gonna be pointless, but at the same time I don't. It's gonna be pointless, isn't it? Ooh, no, that works. Okay, I'll take it, I'll take it. Sorry for the wait, sir. What can I do for you? Hi, I took some photos for a house I'm selling. Could I get the prints of them? Yes, sir. Oh, no. No, I'm moving. No, yeah, bro, I'm moving in next week.
You saying like the house is like ugly? Like
This, no, the house. No, I was joking. The house is beautiful, sir. The house is beautiful, sir. No, it's a beautiful house. Beautiful, beautiful house. The client, your tenant, the lover, pooped straight from a butt. Bro found an abandoned. Maybe he's a explorer, what they call it. Maybe he's like LARPing as a realtor. All right, check for anomalies. Check for anomalies. Call for help. Call for help. Call for help. No, yeah. Hey! Hey, no! Somebody's breaking in right now! Somebody's breaking in right now! That should work, that should work. Get him! Get him! They get... Hey! Hey, we saw someone running in the back alley. I think he bolted when he saw us. You seem safe for now. Still, don't forget to lock your door. Alright, yeah, no, yeah, don't chase him. Don't chase him. Yeah, don't chase him. I should close the shop and get some sleep. Good idea, bro. Oh my. Gosh, what a day. What a day. What an eventful day. Good and bad, good and bad. I didn't find 4 anomalies. This is so bad. Oh, here we go with this frickin' dream crap again, bro. I wonder what was my dad doing? I need a screwdriver. Oh, okay. There we go, there we go. Oh my gosh, I love how interactive this game is. This is so dope. What was that noise? Somebody crawling in the vents? Hello? What is he doing with my dad? Wait a minute, I can see his face. I can see his face. Who is that? What is that? The memory eraser. Gone. Oh, good move, good move. Didn't get me, let's go. Oh. Oh! Oh! No emotion on his face. Light work, no reaction. Fooled. Day 500. Dude, come in there, collect these photos, and gonna beat my freaking butt because I only got 3 out of the 4 anomalies. I'm gonna beat him up. He's never walking out of here ever again. Photos clear as day now. I can see my dad. I'm like remembering now because my memories come back, I think. I don't know, I may be insisting, He's coming in, yeah, he's coming in. Ah, I saw your face, buddy. I saw your face. I know what you look like, huh? Yeah. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did.
I'm here to pick up the photos from the film roll I gave you yesterday.
Yeah, no. I'm gonna start eating them in front of him.